concerned, to the best of my knowledge. Otherwise, the chemistry people are capable of carrying out this meeting. So I'll explain the concept behind this drug chemistry, BSc drug chemistry. That is a new thing. Only I'll simply explain the concept and how it is going to run in the coming future. So as far as the different courses are going on in Vice Center of Science Satara, the members must be aware that we are running BSc, regular BSc in the different subjects, right from the past 50 years or so. In the current 5 years, we have started Bachelor of Science in Food Processing and Packaging, which is an entire course, BSc 1, BSc 2, BSc 3. Similarly, on non-grantable basis, we generally call them as professional courses. So we run nanoscience, when we are running forensic science, BSc 1, 2, 3. Then we are running computer science, entire. Computer science as one of the subject. Both are running in our institute. And finally, we are running BSc biotechnology, which has gone on to become an MSc biotechnology. This year, we are moving towards MSc food processing and packaging. So why I am telling you all this is a different type of BSc, say entire. You know, the drug chemistry is going to be a totally new model. It has got nothing to do with regular BSc nor the classical BSc that we have in our college. So this is going to be the first such course which is going to be run along the major minor lines. So if you are aware, some of you must be aware, the senior individuals, that there are honor courses, honors, BSc honors. And in our area, this is not found in any of the colleges. For the honors course, what is required is for BSc 1, example chemistry, all the papers are of chemistry. English and the other skill courses will be there. For BSc 2, everything is chemistry. For BSc 3, everything is chemistry. We call it as chemistry honors. And the normal BSc, the students will be having 4 subjects. They'll opt for 4 subjects of their choice. At BSc 2, they'll opt for 3 subjects. At BSc 3, they'll move into chemistry and they'll be having BSc chemistry degree. What we are going to start initiate, which is going to be discussed in this meeting, is something which is hybrid of the regular BSc and the honors. Hybrid between BSc chemistry and honors, where the students will be getting a degree in drug science major. Drug science major. So what will be the course structure as such? So the subjects which are allied to BSc drug chemistry. So and one more thing I like to mention, but I'll come to that later on. So the subjects are that we are proposing are microbiology and chemistry. So these will be the subjects, subsidiary subjects, which will be compulsory for these students who want to opt for drug chemistry. So right now what we are thinking is at BSc 1, the student will have three subjects only: microbiology, chemistry, and drug chemistry. At BSc 2 level, the individual will drop microbiology. So microbiology will be concerned only in the first year. In the second year, he will be having chemistry and drug chemistry. And in the third year, he will drop chemistry, and the student, he or she, they'll opt for drug chemistry. So all the papers will be drug chemistry. So that is why I said this is a somewhat hybrid condition between the normal BSc and honors degree. Now the the courses that I was mentioning some time ago, Nanoscience, it is run by physics department under the control of physics department of our institute. Food processing and packaging is run by microbiology. Biotechnology, BSc and MSc is run by botany, and computer science is looked after by electronics. So even if I say run by, actually they are managing that subject. They are looking after that subject. And now it is up to Department of Chemistry to look after drug chemistry. So this is what is going to happen. So this will be the child of chemistry, and you have to raise the child successfully in the near future. So what we are going to do is we are going to brainstorm over here. We require your suggestion. And as far as the microbiology, chemistry, and drug chemistry is concerned, the students will be having only one subject, so two papers at BSc 1 microbiology, two papers of chemistry, and remaining four papers of drug chemistry. So, drug chemistry will constitute 50% or more than 50% of syllabi in all the classes. In BSc 2 again, there will be only two top subjects, chemistry and drug chemistry, where chemistry will be for four papers and the remaining papers will be drug chemistry. And in BSc 3, all the eight papers will be drug chemistry. So this is how we are proposing. And now, as the other departments have done, it is up to the head of the chemistry department, the next head of the chemistry department, and all the senior faculty to guide the junior faculty. And it is up to the members of board of studies who have joined in to guide us, support us, maybe suggest a few changes and get the syllabus approved, and we are going to run that particular subject in this manner. So this is what I want to say. If you have any difficulty, maybe you will be discussing the syllabus in detail. So what is to be there in chemistry, what is to be there in microbiology at BSc 2 level, what level of chemistry will be there, and drug chemistry. So a drug chemist will be required, and we'll be very happy from the institute side if the members who have joined in from university and other colleges, they are having a good rapport with somebody with drug chemistry background. Please suggest their names so that we can have further discussions. Maybe we can discuss on the fine points, some technical details regarding drug chemistry, and we'll be able to incorporate them as members of board of studies, and maybe we can have them as visiting faculty for the courses, because this is a highly specialized theme, I think, and will require a lot of support. So with that, I'll stop here and you can start your discussion. I'll be there for 5 minutes if you have anything to say regarding this drug chemistry as a major subject.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable guidance. Now we start the session first. May I request to Dr. S.B. Kamble, sir, to present on draft syllabus of BSc First Drug Chemistry. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome.
So, good afternoon, one and all, honorable BOS member and all faculty members of the chemistry department. Myself, Dr. Santosh Kamble. Today, I am presenting here the draft syllabus of drug chemistry. एक मिनट. admit कर admit कर share interest नहीं window तो window open कौन कर Okay. So today I am presenting here the draft syllabus of drug chemistry, BSc first year. So draft syllabus of drug chemistry, Shivaji University Kolhapur, Yashwantrai Chavan Institute of Science Satara, and teaching and examination scheme under the choice-based credit system, that is CBCS, and Faculty of Science, and pattern is full-time semester, and duration of the course is a 6 semester for 3 year. So this is the CBCS structure for BSc part first. It having the 4 paper and one that is a AECC paper. So each paper having 2 parts, that paper first and paper second. So drug chemistry first, drug chemistry second, then chemistry first, chemistry second, then microbiology first and microbiology second. So for theory, total papers having 18 credit, while the practical having 8 credits. One second. इथंच करूया एकच मिनिट स्लाइड शो होत नाहीये ठीक आहे आता दिसतंय का बघा
शेअर करा
दिसतंय का
yes दिसतंय
okay so BSc first year which having 5 papers so drug chemistry which including paper first and paper second while drug chemistry second which including paper first paper second along with that we have to add here chemistry paper first and paper second as well as microbiology first and microbiology second and one more paper that is AECC. So for theory it having 18 credits total and for 8 credits for the practicals. Then for semester second the same structure is there, drug chemistry first, drug chemistry second, chemistry, microbiology, and total credit for the first year. So total credit for the first year is total credit for theory is 36 and for practical it is 16. So total 52 credits for the first year. Then for BSc second year, here drug chemistry first, drug chemistry second, chemistry and AECC paper. So for this third semester, the theory having total 14 credits and practicals having 12 credits, while BSc semester fourth is having 28 credits for theory and for practical it is 24 credit. So here AECC second, so ability enhancement compulsory course for first and second, it is related to environmental science in second year, and in first year it is totally related to the English paper. Now the CBCS structure for BSc third drug chemistry, which having 4 paper, so each paper divided into 2 paper, and here we add skill enhancement as well as AECC third paper. So in third year semester 5, which having 12 credit for the theory paper and 10 credit for the practical. Then for semester 6, drug chemistry first, drug chemistry second, skill enhancement, AECC paper 4. For that purpose, the theory having total 12 credits and the practicals having 10 credits. So it becomes 44 credit. So this is the overall CBCS structure for the drug chemistry. Then here we can represent BSc first year. Total theory credit is 36, practical is at 16, so it becomes 52. Then for BSc second, it becomes 28 for theory. For practical, it is 24, and total credits is 52. While BSc third year, which having 24 credit for theory and 20 credits for practical, so it becomes 44. So entire course, which having 88 credits, that is 60.24% for the theory, while 60%, that is 39.75% for the practical. So this total course having 148 credits in 3 years, which including 6 semesters. Then in semester first, we would like to discuss here the paper name, that is drug first, drug second, then chemistry, micro, practical first, as well as semester second, which having drug first, drug second, chemistry, micro, and practical first. So here the BDCT 101, that is introduction of pharmaceutics, paper first. So it having the 4 units. So if I would like to request all the honorable viewers member, if you have any suggestion on the credit, please we discuss here.
Yeah, this is Pardeshi, Professor Pardeshi.
Welcome, sir.
I am audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, I just want to ask that you have given BSc 1, BSc 2, and BSc 3.
Yes, sir.
I have joined little late, so I just wanted to know, everywhere you have written 6 months. It
Yes.
is a 1-year course, no? Or 6 months?
Yes. So total, sir, 3-year course, 6 semester. It having 6 semester.
Achha, so 1 and 2 semester is for first year.
Yes.
3 and 4 for second year, and 5 and 6 for
6, third year.
third year.
Yes.
But I could not see the separate syllabus for 1 and 2, like design for 1 and 2.
Yes, sir. It is. We discuss in detail next. So
Okay.
before that, it is the only structure, course structure for the BSc drug chemistry.
Yeah. And the second thing is, this 148 credits, this is little odd, no? Can you not make it 150, or there is some guidelines for that?
Okay, sir. Our general BSc, which having this 148 credits. So according to this, we make the syllabus for BSc drug chemistry.
Okay.
Because
so
our general
I
chemistry
just
all
wanted to
subject.
check that can we not make it 50, 50, 50 for 3 years?
Okay.
Yes, you can put a thought.
So equal distribution.
Yeah, for 3 years it will be equal distribution. That is a suggestion, like, of course.
Yes, 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 sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Shinta, sir, please.
यस डॉक्टर परदेशी सर, खूप महत्वाचा प्रश्न आहे. जेव्हा तुम्ही बीएससी जनरलचं किती क्रेडिट देत आहात, तेवढेच क्रेडिट इकडे पण थर्ड इयर 3 वर्षामध्ये क्रेडिटचे इक्वल दिसले पाहिजेत. फर्स्ट इयरला तुम्ही जास्त मुलांना म्हणजे 12वी फ्रेशर मग स्लोली थर्ड इयरला कमी करायचे. हा प्रकार थोडस म्हणजे कसं इक्वल आपल्याला करता येईल हे पण आपण बघितलं पाहिजे.
ओके सर.
जेव्हा आपण पुढे जाऊयात, परदेशी सर त्यांनी बऱ्यापैकी वेटेज हे केमिस्ट्री आणि ड्रग केमिस्ट्री प्लस मायक्रोबायोलॉजी.
येस सर.
मायक्रोबायोलॉजी त्यांनी घेतलेलाच आहे, पण व्हॉट अबाउट बायोकेमिस्ट्री, बिकॉज टू अंडरस्टँड ड्रग.
Sir, microbiology first and microbiology second paper is there, and the second paper which having the part of biochemistry.
Okay, biochemistry is also there.
Yes.
ठीक आहे सर, आपण ते बघून घेऊ सिलेबस आणि मग डिस्कस करू.
Yes.
येस.
येस सर. माऊलीकर सरांना काय सांगायचं?
ठीक आहे, पुढे जा.
See the first total syllabus in detail, then we will discuss.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I would like to discuss here the draft syllabus for BSc first year, which having BDCT 101 is the first paper. Theory and practical. So introduction of pharmaceutics is the first paper 101, and it including 4 units. So unit 1 is the introduction of different dosage forms, then metrology, packaging of pharmaceuticals, and size preparation. So BDCT 102, it is the introduction of pharmaceutics second, which having 4 units. First unit is related to mixing and homogenization. Second unit is clarification and filtration. Third unit is the extraction and gelalysis. Then fourth unit is the distillation, and BDCP 103 is the practical course. While the paper BDC 104, which is entitled Introduction to Pharmaceutical Process, it includes 4 units. First unit is related to introduction of drying process. Second unit is aseptic techniques. Unit third is a processing tablets. Unit fourth is processing of capsules. And BDCT 105 is related to fundamentals of drugs, which include unit first is related to basic concepts of the acid, base, and buffers. Unit second is physiochemical properties in relation to biological action. Unit third is inorganic official compounds. Then unit fourth is the sources of drugs, and BDCP 106 is the practical course second. So this is the course structure for the first semester. Then for second semester, we have to BDCT 201 entitled drug chemistry first. It includes 2 units, that is gastrogenital agents. Then unit second, antimicrobial and astrogenesis. Then BDCT 202 is a drug chemistry second. Unit number 1 is acid base titration. Unit number 2 oxidation reduction titration. Unit number 3 is precipitation titration. Unit 4 is gravimetric analysis, and it having the BDCP 203 is the practical course third. Now BDCT 204 is drug chemistry third, which having 4 units. First unit is entitled Introduction to Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Drug Action Receptor Theory. Unit third is Drug Administration and Dosage. Unit number 4 is Drug Intermediate. And BDCT 205, which is the Remedial Mathematics, which having the 4 units. So unit first is related to the brief introduction to the need of computers for chemistry. Unit number third is algebra. Unit number second is statistics. Then unit number fourth is calculus, and BDCP 206, that is practical course 4. This is for the semester second. Now we would like to discuss the syllabus in detail. So BDCT 101, which having introduction to pharmaceutics first, and this topic unit having 9 lecture, and which involve the classification with example and applications, introduction to drug delivery system, introduction to pharmacopoeia with special reference to the Indian pharmacopoeia. Unit number second is the metrology, which also having 9 lecture, system of weight and measures, calculation including conversion from one to another system, percentage calculation, and adjustment of products, use of alligation method in calculations, and isotonic solution. Unit number 3, packaging of pharmaceuticals, which is also having 9 lecture. And in this, subpoints includes features and types of containers, study of glass and plastic as a material for containers, and rubber as a material for closure, their merit and demerits. Then introduction to aerosol packaging, then size reduction objectives and factors affecting size reduction, method of size reduction, study of hammer mill, ball mill, fluid energy mill, and disintegrator. Then unit number 4 is size separation, which is also having 9 lecture. So size separation by spitting, then official standards of for powder, sedimentation method of size preparation, separation, construction and working of cyclone separator. So this is all the syllabus of first paper. Then BDCT 102, that is introduction to pharmaceutics second, which having first unit mixing and homogenization. So it also having 9 lecture, and it includes sub points, that is liquid mixing and powder mixing, mixing of semi-solids, study of Silverson mixer homogenizer, then planetary mixer, agitated powder mixer, then triple roll mill, propeller mixer, collide mill, and hand homogenizer, double cone mixer. Then unit number second, that is clarification and filtration. So it also having 9 lectures, and it includes sub unit sub points, that is theory of filtration, filter media, filter aids, and selection of filter, study of the following filtration equipments: filter, press, sintered filter, filter candles, and meta filter. Then unit number 3 is entitled as a extraction and galogenic. Then it having subunit, it divided into again part A and part B. Part A having study of percolation and maceration and their modification, continuous hot extraction application in the preparation of tincture and extracts. Then B part involve, that is introduction to Ayurvedic dosage forms. Unit number 3 is related to the distillation, and which is also having 9 lecture. So it includes simple distillation and fractional distillation, then steam distillation and vacuum distillation. Next, the study of vacuum still preparation of purified water IP and water for injection IP, construction and working. So BDCP 103 is the practical course, and which is in the first semester, that is practical course first. So here we include the experiment like purification of organic pharmaceutical compounds, preparation and standardization of solution, determination of solubility, melting point and boiling point of drug, detection of elements and functional groups, estimation of tincture iodine, separation of lipid, amino acids and carbohydrates, preparation of antimony, potassium tartarate, then milk of magnesia, ferrous ammonium sulfate, alum, aluminum hydroxide gel, etc. So out of this preparation, we would like to add 2 experiment among these. Then next experiment is the preparation of buffer solution and measurement of pH. Then we also arrange viva host on this practical examination and the practical record in the form of journal. Then semester second, which having BDCT 104. So it is entitled in Introduction to Pharmaceutical Processes. So unit number 1 is introduction of drying process, which having 9 lectures. So study of tray dryers, then fluidized bed dryer, vacuum dryer, and freeze dryer, and sterilization. Then the concept of sterilization and its differences from disinfection, thermal resistance of microorganisms, detailed study of the following sterilization processes of sterilization with the moist heat, dry heat sterilization, sterilization by radiation, and sterilization by filtration and gaseous sterilization. So that part included in the unit number first. Then unit number second is aseptic techniques, and which having 9 lectures. It includes subpoints, that is application of sterilization process in hospitals, particularly with the reference to surgical dressing and intravenous fluids. Precautions for safe and effective handling of sterilization equipment. And unit number third is related is entitled processing of tablet, which having 9 lectures, and it includes the points, that is definition, different type of compressed tablets and their properties, while process involved in the production of tablets, tablet expanse, defects in tablets, evolution of tablets, physical standard including disintegration and dissolution, tablet coating, sugar coating, film coating, enteric coating, and micro encapsulation. Then unit number 4 is entitled processing of capsules. It also having 9 lectures. So it includes subpoints, hard and soft gelatin capsules, different size of capsules, filling of capsule, handling and storage of capsule, special application of capsules, and study of immunological products like sera, vaccine, toxoids, and their preparations. So this is the syllabus of BDC 105, that is fundamental of drug. It includes unit number 1, that is acid, base, and buffers, which having 9 lectures. So here we would like to learn the basic concepts of chemistry like boric acid, hydrochloric acid, ammonium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, and official buffers, buffer equation and buffer capacity in general, then buffer in pharmaceutical substance, its preparation, stability, buffered isotonic solution, measurement of tonicity, calculations and method of adjusting isotonicity, antioxidant, hypophosphorus acid, sulfur dioxide, sodium bisulfite, sodium metabisulfite, sodium thiosulfite, nitrogen, and sodium nitrite. Then second unit is entitled physicochemical properties in relation to biological action, which is also having 9 lectures, and it includes ionization, solubility, partition coefficient, hydrogen bonding, then protein binding, chelation, bioisomerism, optical and geometrical isomerism. Then unit number third is inorganic official compounds, which is also having 9 lectures. Introduction, properties and application of the metal like iron, iodine, calcium, ferrous sulfate, and calcium gluconate. Unit number third is the sources of drugs, and it having 9 lectures. What is drug? Then biological, marine, mineral, and plant tissue cultures as a source of drugs. So here we would like to discuss here the different sources of drug, and mainly focused on the natural sources. Then the next practical course, that is BDCP 106, and it is practical course second, which include identification test for inorganic compounds, particularly drugs and pharmaceuticals, that is limit test for chloride, sulfate, arsenic, iron, and heavy metals. Then the preparation of aromatic water. Then third is the assay of inorganic pharmaceuticals involving each of the following methods of compounds under theory. Then fourth one is a acid-base titration. So here we would like to at least 3 practicals we on the basis of acid-base titration. Then redox reaction, one of each permagnometry and iodometry. Then precipitation titration, at least 2. Then complexometric titration, and particularly with calcium and magnesium. Then extraction of essential oil, and on the basis of that we would like to conduct viva host and practical record in the form of journal. So this is the syllabus of BDCT 201, that is semester second, drug chemistry. So this drug chemistry is involved the unit number 1, that is gastrointestinal agents, and which is having 9 lectures. It includes the subunits like acidifying agents, dilute hydrochloric acid, antacids like sodium bicarbonate, aluminum hydroxide gel, aluminum phosphate, calcium carbonate, magnesium trisilicate, magnesium oxide, combination of antacid preparations. Then next point, that is protective and adsorbents. It include bismuth, subcarbonate, and kaolin. Then saline cathartics, that is sodium, potassium tartarate, and magnesium sulfate. While topical agents protective, which including talc, zinc oxide, calamine, then zinc stearate, titanium dioxide, and silicon polymers. Second unit is entitled that is antimicrobial and astringents. So it having 9 lectures. It includes the subpoints hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate, chlorinated lime, iodine, solution of iodine, then povidone, iodine, boric acid, borax, silver nitrate, mild silver protein, mercury yellow, mercuric oxide, and ammoniated mercury. Then sulfur and its compounds like sublimed sulfur, then precipitated sulfur, and selenium sulfide. Then astringents, which includes alum and zinc sulfate. While sodium fluoride is then stannous fluoride, calcium carbonate, sodium metaphosphate, dicalcium phosphate, then strontium chloride, and zinc chloride. And inhalants, which includes oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrous oxide. Then unit number 4 is entitled with the plant taxonomy, which having 9 lectures, and it includes the subpoints study of the following families with the special reference, that is medicinally special reference to medicinally important plants like Apocyanaceae, then Solanaceae, Rutaceae, then Umbelliferae, Legumiaceae, then Rubiaceae, Liliaceae, then Gramineae, Labuti, then Cruciferae, and Papaveraceae. Then BDCT 202 is entitled that is drug analysis, which including 4 units. The first unit is entitled with the acid-base titration, which having 9 lecture, and it include acid-base concept, role of solvent, relative strength of acid and base ionization, then law of mass of action, then common ion effect, ionic product of water, pH hydrolysis of salts, neutralization curves, acid-base indicators, theory of indicators, choice of indicators, mixed indicator, then poloprotic system, polyamine and amino acid system, amino acid titration, application in assay of hydroiodic acid, Na, sodium hydroxide, and calcium carbonate, etc. Then unit number 3 is oxidation reduction titration, which having 9 lectures, and it includes concept of oxidation and reduction, redox reaction, strength and equivalent weight of oxidizing and reducing agent, theory of redox titration, redox indicators, cell representations, measurement of electrode potential, oxidation reduction curves, then iodometry and iodometry and lodometry, then titration involving ceric sulfate, potassium iodate, potassium bromate, and potassium permanganate. Then unit number 3 is entitled with the precipitation titration, which having 9 lectures, and it includes the points precipitation reaction, solubility product, effect of temperature and solvent upon the solubility of precipitate, then argentometric titration, and titration involving ammonium or potassium thiocyanate, mercuric nitrate, and barium sulfate. Indicators, then Gay-Lussac's method, Moore's methods, Ollard's method, and Fujans method. The unit number 4th is gravimetric analysis, and which having the 9 lectures. It includes precipitation techniques, solubility product, the colloidal state, super saturation, then co-precipitation, then co-precipitation, post-precipitation, digestional washing of the precipitant, filtration, filter paper and crucible, ignition, then thermogravimetric curves, specific example like barium sulfate, aluminium as aluminium oxide, calcium as calcium oxalate, and magnesium as magnesium pyrophosphate, and organic precipitants. Then BDCP 203 is the practical course which involving the preparation of syrups, that is syrups IP66, then compound syrup of ferrous phosphate BPC 68, then preparation of elixirs, then it involving piperazine citrate elixir, then paracetamol pediatric elixir, then fourth is the preparation of solutions which involving strong solution of ammonium acetate, then cresol with soap solution and Lugol's solution. Then 5 is the preparation of suspension, then preparation of creams, and here viva voce and practical record in the form of journal. So any other relevant practical may be added in this practical course. Then next paper BDCT 204. Which BDCT 204 is the drug chemistry third, which having 4 units. So unit first is entitled with the introduction of pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacy and pharmaceutical chemistry as a career, important aspects of pharmaceutical chemistry, important of chemistry in pharmacy, and history of pharmacopoeia. Then unit second is drug action receptor theory, which having 10 lectures. So drug receptor, classification of ligands, then agonists, agonites and anti-agonites, drug receptor interaction, forces involved in the drug receptor interaction, occupation theory, rate theory, the induced fit theory of enzyme substrate interaction, macromolecular perturbation theory, then activation aggregation theory, and two-state model of receptor activation. Unit number 3 is entitled with the drug administrator and dosages, which having 4 lecture, where oral and parental routes with the advantages and disadvantages, then formulation, different dosage forms, that emphasis on sustained release formulation, and unit number 4 is drug intermediate, which having 12 lectures. So it includes 2-amino-5-chloro-benzophenone from parachloronitrobenzene, then 2,4-triamino-6-hydroxypyrimidine from guanidine, then 4-chloro-5-sulfonyl amino anthrenic acid from 4-chloro-2-toluidine, that is para 2-5-chloro-2-methoxy benzamide ethyl. So benzene sulfonamide from chloro-2-methoxybenzoate. Next one is the 4-parachlorophenyl 4-hydroxypiperidine from 4-chloroacetophenone para acetyl amino benzene sulfonyl chloride from aniline, and epochlorohydrin from propane. Then semester second BDCT 205 is the remedial mathematics, and which involving the basic concepts of the mathematics, which is involved in the drug chemistry, and that unit first is entitled with the brief introduction to the need of computers for chemistry, which having 9 lectures, where computers for analytical chemists, introduction to computer, organization computer, CPU, then computer memory, IO devices, then information storage, software components, type of computers, then programming languages, computer program, stored program concept, operating system, algorithm, and program flow chart. Then second is related to probability and regression, that is which having 9 lectures, ability distribution, then normal, binomial and polynomial distribution, then continuous data distribution, then fiducial limits, probit and logit analysis, then linear regression and correlation, then method of least squares, significance of correlation and regression. The third unit is algebra, which having 9 lectures. It includes equation reducible to quadratics, simultaneous equation, that is linear and quadratic, determination, properties of solution of simultaneous equation by uh, Cramer's rule, matrices, definition of special kinds of matrices, then arithmetic operations on matrices, inverse of matrices, solution of simultaneous equation by matrices, pharmaceutical application of determination and matrices, evolution of E, ENI, EN, that is 1, 2, 3, then mensurtion and its pharmaceutical applications. Then unit number fourth is a calculus, which having differential, that is limit and functions, definition of differential coefficient, differential of standard function, including function of, that is chain rule, then differentiation of implicit functions, logarithmic differentiation, then parametric differentiation, successive differentiation, then integral, which involving integration as a inverse of differentiation, then indefinite integral of standard forms, integration by parts, substitution and partial, that is fractions, formal evaluations and definite integrals. So BDCP 206 is the practical course 4, and which having the practical like emulsion, then turpentine, liquid paraffin emulsion, then second one is the powder and granules, which involving ORS powder, that is WHO, then effective granules, then dusting powder and divided powders. Experiment 3 is related to the suppositors. Then it includes glycerogelatin suppository, then sulfur ointment, then non-staining iodine ointment with methyl salicylate, then carbapal gel. The 5 number experiment is a gargles with mouth washes. So it includes iodine gargle or chlorohexidine mouthwash. And on the basis of all these experiments, we conduct the viva voce and practical record in the form of journal. So this is the whole syllabus of semester part first and semester part second, which is involved in the drug chemistry first year. So if any suggestion, we will discuss. So suggestions are welcome from honorable viewers members.
Really practical. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You rightly prepared the syllabus according to syllabus theory. Practicals you have included, but in practical, in theory, you have introduction to Ayurvedic dosage forms. This is only one unit on Ayurvedic. There should be separate unit on Ayurveda. Is it included in next semester? Third, fourth
Second year.
semester.
It means second semester. Second year.
Second year.
So, sir, I would like to just here explaining the paper name of BSc second year, semester third and fourth. Then it will be effective for understanding and discussion.
Okay.
So BDCT 301 is the drug action, where unit 1 is drug, then second drug absorption, then medicinal system, then dispensing pharmacy, then BDCT 302 is the drug delivery system first, which are having sustained release, and controlled release. Then unit number third is polymers. Unit number 3 is rate controlled drug delivery system. Unit number 4 is a gastroenteritis drug system and practical course. While BDC T303 is the drug delivery system second, which having the unit ocular drug delivery system, then transdermal drug delivery system, then protein and peptide delivery, and unit number 4 is the vaccine delivery system. And BDCT 304 is pharmacology, which include drug action on the gastrointestinal tract. Then unit number 2 is a pharmacology of endo endocrine system. Then unit number 3 is the chemotherapy. Unit number 4 is a principle of toxicology, a practical course. And semester 4, which having BDCT 401, which having pharmaceutical analysis. Unit number 1 is the impurities in pharmaceutical substances. Then unit number 2 is the pharmaceutical compound first. Unit number 3 is pharmaceutical compound second. And unit number 4 is colloidal system and application. While BDCT 402 is human anatomy, where unit number 1 is the introduction of human body. Unit number 2 is a integumentary system. Unit number 3 is the body fluid and blood. Unit number 4 is the peripheral nervous system and practical course. While BDCT 403 is the unit number 1 carbohydrate metabolism. Unit number 2 lipid metabolism. Unit number 3 nucleic acid metabolism and genetic information transfer. And unit number 4 is the fiber. While BDCT 404 is the inorganic pharmaceutical analysis, which including unit number 1 is the historical background and development of profession of pharmacy. Then second, monophasic liquids. Third, respiratory stimulants. And fourth, poison and antidotes and practical course. And BSc third, which having BDCT 501, stereochemistry natural product. Stereochemistry is there, first unit. Second unit is not natural product. Third unit is synthesis of vitamins and amino acids. Unit number 4 is the pharmaceutical and heterocycles. BDCT 502 is the spectroscopic technique, where unit number 1 is the introduction of spectroscopy, 2 is UV spectroscopy, 3 IR spectroscopy, 4 NMR spectroscopy, 5 mass spectroscopy and practical course. While BDCT 503 is a physical pharmacy, which having the unit number 1 dispersion system, colloidal dispersion. Unit number 2 viscosity and rheology. Unit number 3 kinetics and drug stability. Unit number 3 surface and interfacial phenomenon. Unit number then BDCT 504 is techniques in forensic science and microbiological analysis, which having unit number 1 analysis of body fluid and clinical analysis. Then unit number 2 clinical analysis. Unit number 3 human nutrition and analysis of vitamins. Unit number 4 is the analysis of cosmetics. Then semester 5, which having 601 drug synthesis. Here unit number 1 is the antioxidant. Unit number 2 is the antifungal drugs. Unit number 3 is the antibiotic drugs. And unit number 3 is the anti-malarial drugs. While drug synthesis second, which having cardiovascular drug. Unit number 2 is the CNS drugs. Unit number 3 is anti-allergic drugs. Unit number 4 is antipyretic and practical course. While BDCT 603 is drug discovery, which having unit number 1 is an overview of modern drug discovery process. Then second, lead identification. Unit number 3 is rational drug design. And unit number 4 is a molecular docking. Then BDCT 604 is pharmaceutical jurisprudence, where unit number is the origin and nature of pharmaceutical legislation in India. Then unit number 3 is the Pharmacy Act 1948. Unit number 3 is the drug and magic remedies that Act 1954. And unit number 4 is narcotic drug and psychotropic substances Act 1983. So these are the topics our paper we would like to introduce in BSc second, semester 3rd, semester 4, and BSc 3rd, semester 5 and semester 6. Now, sir, I would like to request all honorable viewers member, please give suggestion, and we will discuss on this syllabus.
Hmm. Just I was talking initially for theory and practical.
होय काय?
So
Yes, sir.
you have nicely made the syllabus practical also according to the theory. So always there should be emphasis on practical for that semester, which are directly related to the theory for that semester. That will be easy to understand for student. So student learn in classroom, actually get exposure in the laboratory. So we
Yes,
should
sir.
make that syllabus according to the theory for that semester and practical for that semester. So that should be semester wise. Then
Yes, sir.
introduction to Ayurvedic dosage, only one unit is there. I think this is a drug chemistry. So there should be some full weightage for Ayurveda. At least one complete unit should be there on Ayurveda. This is one more suggestion. And then
Okay.
you have included mixing and homogenization and all things, but there is no the most important one, that is the drug formulation. You have missed that word formulation. There should be one title for one unit, drug formulation, and under drug formulation there should be number of other mixtures, blends, and all things. So there should be one term, drug formulation. Then tablets and capsules, we have included practicals on tablet capsules in theory also. But there is no theory on syrup preparation, liquid formulations or semi-liquid formulation. That you should include, and accordingly you include in practical. So that is the tablets, then capsules and syrups. So in this,
Yes.
then in analysis of drug, you should include in practical, that is analysis drugs which are available in the market. For example, analysis of uh, paracetamol, analysis of aspirin, which are available in the market. Directly, the student gets complete idea about the formulation of drug and how much active ingredient is present in that drug. Then
Okay, sir.
introduction to as this is a course which is totally given that weightage for drugs. So
Yes, sir.
the student at last semester, fifth or sixth semester, means last year, third year student, should get idea about the recent advances in drug chemistry, drug deliveries. That nicely I included that control release deliveries and all things. But again, you should include the recent advances, including the molecular talking. That's the introductory part you have to include. At PG level, he can study in detail what is molecular talking, types of molecular talkings and methodologies and all things, softwares and all things. Not necessarily just the student should be
Introduction.
introduced at third year. There is a what is molecular data? You have included theoretical that up to action at gastrointestinal tracts and all that thing. So there should be molecular docking and other methodologies for the checking testing of molecules. And one more thing, you have included antifungal, antibiotic, and all things. So there is no word for antibacterial. So instead of antifungal, you should include antimicrobial. That cover antibacterial as well as antifungal. Both
Yes, sir.
potencies or properties are different. Then overall, that is good syllabus. At first sight, it seems to be very heavy for BSc level, as we have included. One more point: at fifth semester, you have included spectroscopy. Fifth and sixth semester
Six.
should be totally for drugs only. So you should shift that spectroscopic techniques, stereochemistry and natural product to third or fourth semester, and the drug topics for the fifth semester. It seems to be odd. to learn spectroscopy at 5th semester. That should be initially before starting the drug chemistry and their subtopics. These are the some suggestions. Now we can hear some suggestion and guidance from others members. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your valuable suggestion, and it will be definitely helpful for us for making good syllabus for BSc Drug Chemistry. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, may I talk now?
Yes, yes.
Sir, as it is a separate BSc course, and therefore we have to go through basics. Some basic concepts should be studied in BSc 1 level, and in BSc 1 म्हणजे बराचसा तुमचा सिलेबस हा अनालिटिकल अप्रोचचा आहे. म्हणजे तुमचं सिंथेसिस असेल किंवा जे डिस्टिलेशन असेल, तर अशा टाईपची जरा जास्त इन्फॉर्मेशन BSc 1च्या सिलेबसमध्ये आहे. तर मला असं सांगायचं की तुम्ही काही बेसिक कन्सेप्ट BSc 1 ला शिकवणं गरजेचं आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल स्टेरिओ केमिस्ट्री असेल किंवा टाइप्स ऑफ नॅचरल प्रोडक्ट्स असतील, कार्बोहायड्रेट्स, स्टेरॉइड्स, अल्कलाइड्स म्हणजे काय हे त्यांना BSc 1 लाच माहिती झालं पाहिजे. आणखी स्टेरिओ केमिस्ट्री जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट आहे माझ्या मते, कारण फार्मसीमध्ये जे काही ड्रग्ज आहेत त्यांना प्रॉपर स्टेरिओ केमिस्ट्री समजल्याशिवाय आपण त्याचा यूज करू शकत नाही. तर स्टेरिओ केमिस्ट्री बेसिक मध्ये इन्क्लूड केलं गेलं पाहिजे, हे माझं सजेशन आहे.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am, for your valuable suggestion. But we include that part because stereochemistry is important for drug chemistry, and that's why we included in third year, because whatever the basic concept related to the drug chemistry, that
Madam.
and in the syllabus of chemistry, ma'am, already the stereochemistry is included, because regular BSc which having chemistry subject which having the stereochemist topic.
प्लेन केमिस्ट्री मध्ये ऑलरेडी स्टेरिओकेमिस्ट्री इन्क्लूड आहे. जो प्लेन केमिस्ट्रीचा पेपर आहे त्याच्यामध्ये, त्यामुळे फार्मास्युटिकल केमिस्ट्री मध्ये आम्ही स्टेरिओकेमिस्ट्री स्पेशली उल्लेख नाही केला सर, म्हणजे घेतला.
विटॅमिन्स आणखी कार्बोहायड्रेट्स सेपरेट टॉपिक टाकता आले तर बघा. विटॅमिन्स, रिड्युसिंग शुगर, नॉन रिड्युसिंग शुगर,
कार्बोहायड्रेट्स पण आहे.
मॅडम BSc सेकंड इयरला ना, म्हणजे आपल्या रेग्युलर केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये ते टॉपिक आहेत, ते केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये ते शिकणार आहेत. हे टॉपिक जे आहेत ते फक्त ड्रग केमिस्ट्री रिलेटेड आहे.
नाही, पण हा सेपरेट कोर्स आहे ना सर? हा कोर्स सेपरेट आहे ना BSc ड्रग केमिस्ट्री?
नो. फर्स्ट इयर आणि सेकंड इयर मॅडम, फर्स्ट इयर मायक्रोबायोलॉजी कोर्सेस आहेत आणि थर्ड इयरला हा टोटल सेपरेट होणार आहे.
I think this is a separate BSc course.
No.
बघा मॅडम, ड्रग्स केमिस्ट्री जरी आपण कोर्स केला असला तरी त्याच्याबरोबर मायक्रोबायोलॉजी आणि केमिस्ट्री हे सबसिडरी विषय आहेत. आणि मायक्रोबायोलॉजी फक्त फर्स्ट इयरला आहे, सेकंड इयरला आणि फर्स्ट इयरला केमिस्ट्री आहे, आपले जे रेग्युलर केमिस्ट्री आहे. आणि त्या केमिस्ट्री मध्ये आपण सगळं कव्हर केलेलं आहे. म्हणजे स्टेरिओ केमिस्ट्री असेल, कार्बोहायड्रेट असेल, अमिनो ऍसिड्स असेल, दोज आर रिलेटेड टू द ड्रग्स केमिस्ट्री.
ओके सर.
आपण ऑलरेडी त्या FY आणि SY च्या सिलेबस मध्ये घेतलेले आहे रेग्युलर केमिस्ट्रीचा.
ओके सर.
म्हणून कॉमन जे सिलेबस आहे तो फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड इयरलाच झाला पाहिजे. थर्ड इयर मध्ये स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी, नॅचरल हे यायलाच नको. तिथं ड्रगच आला पाहिजे सगळा. जसं आपण BSc ला कसं सबसिडरी फर्स्ट सेकंड इयरला असतात, तर थर्ड इयरला प्रिन्सिपल सब्जेक्ट असतो, तसं ड्रगचं व्हायला पाहिजे. 5वी 6वी सेमिस्टर मध्ये हे नको आहे. ते जरा रिअलाइज करावं लागेल.
येस डेफिनेटली सर.
सेकंड इयरला तो सिलेबस आता येईल सर, आपल्याला शिफ्ट करता येईल स्टेरिओकेमिस्ट्री किंवा स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपीचा. हे सजेशन सर चांगलं आहे मॅडम.
कारण ड्रग केमिस्ट्री आपण शिकतो ना, त्यामुळे विद्यार्थी ज्यावेळी शेवटीकडे येतो त्यावेळी बेसिक होऊन गेले पाहिजे. शेवटच्या 2 सेमिस्टर तो ड्रगच शिकला पाहिजे, बाकी काहीच नको. आणि पहिल्या ज्या सेमिस्टरला झालं त्याच्या बेसवर तो ड्रग शिकेल.
येस सर.
Yes sir, we will make that and we will transfer syllabus
या ठिकाणी आपण BSc सेकंड मध्ये थोडी स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी आणि विशेषतः जेव्हा मुलं
इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये
स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी ड्रगसाठी लागते म्हणजे आता जेव्हा मला
किंवा बीएससी ला घेणं त्या ठिकाणी आवश्यक आहे. बेसिक जे आहे ते आपण सेकंड इयरला घेऊ. या ठिकाणी एनएमआर आणि C13चा जो काय पार्ट आहे म्हणजे तो महत्त्वाचा पार्ट आपण टीवायला घेऊ शकतो आणि त्याच्या जोडीला रेट्रोसिंथेसिस ड्रग मधलं जे आहे त्याचा इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट आपण घेऊ शकतो. तर तो हा स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपीचा नियमा पार्ट जो आहे तो त्यांना आपण एसवायला घेऊ शकतो. टीवायला थोडीशी स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी मला वाटते तर गरजेची वाटते कारण टीवायला आल्याशिवाय त्या मुलाला त्या ठिकाणी ड्रगचे स्ट्रक्चर्स आयडेंटिफिकेशन जे आहे ते समजणार नाही. त्यामुळे कंबाईन्ड स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी टेक्निक हे त्या ठिकाणी म्हणजे पूर्ण पेपर नाही परंतु काही युनिट जे आहे ते त्या ठिकाणी आपण असणं गरजेचं आहे.
सर बोलू का मी?
येस येस सर.
कांबळे
शिंदे सर प्लीज.
Yes, sir. You have presented very nicely the structure of BSc drug chemistry, and you have taken lot of efforts for making such type of wonderful syllabus of BSc drug chemistry. I think first time at undergraduate level BSc drug chemistry program, you are going to
Yes,
design this particular things. While designing the structure of this BSc drug chemistry, I think you may have taken help of various institutions, curriculum of India as well as abroad. And I think first time in Maharashtra, sir.
1 second sir.
हा कांबळे सर बोलू का?
सर 1 मिनिट. तो नाही येत. 1 second. Yes sir, please sir.
बोलू का सर?
Yes. नाही दुसरा एक क्लास कोणता तरी ओपन आहे. हा शिंदे सर बोला प्लीज.
तुम्ही बीएससी ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीचा सिलेबस हा खूप चांगल्या प्रकारे डिझाईन केलेला स्ट्रक्चर हे म्हणजे मला तर फार आवडलं स्ट्रक्चर, कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर. मी जसं सुरुवातीलाच म्हटलो की जसं तुम्ही मायक्रोबायोलॉजीला वेटेज दिलेला आहे तसं कुठेतरी बायोकेमिस्ट्रीचं पण कंटेंट आला पाहिजे होता असं मला वाटतंय. कारण विदाउट बायोकेमिस्ट्री वी कॅनॉट अंडरस्टँड ड्रग केमिस्ट्री. दॅट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग. मीन्स फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ बायोकेमिस्ट्री कुठतरी आलं पाहिजे म्हणून मी तो मुद्दा त्यावेळेसच मांडला होता. दुसरा तुमचा जो पहिलाच पेपर जो आहे तो इंट्रोडक्शन टू फार्मास्युटिकल केमिस्ट्री लाईक दॅट वे. म्हणजे आपला फर्स्ट सेमिस्टरचा सिलेबस हा ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीचा न वाटता तो फार्मास्युटिकल केमिस्ट्री असल्यासारखं असं वाटतंय. जसं मॅडमनी आता एका मॅडमनी म्हटलंय की तुमचा हा सिलेबस थोडस अनालिटिकल अप्रोच न झाल्यासारखा असं वाटतंय आणि ते बरोबर मला पण लक्षात आलं. कारण पहिला सेमिस्टरला जेव्हा मुलगा एखादा ध्येय घेऊन आपल्याकडे येतो तेव्हा त्याला त्या विषयामधले फंडामेंटल्स देणं हे आपलं कर्तव्य आहे. म्हणजे पहिला पेपर हा इंट्रोडक्शन टू ड्रग केमिस्ट्री असला पाहिजे. मी या मताचा आहे. इंट्रोडक्शन टू ड्रग केमिस्ट्री. मग त्याला हळूहळू आपण स्टेप वाईज त्याला पुढे न्यायचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. आणि कुठंतरी क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स हा मुद्दा पण आला पाहिजे. सरांनी जसं माहुलीकर सरांनी म्हणले की अँटी फंगल तुम्ही टाकलंय, अँटी बाकीचे टाकले त्याच्यापेक्षा अँटी मायक्रोबियल टाका. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग हे कुठंतरी असलं पाहिजे. कोणत्या बेसिसवर क्लासिफिकेशन आपण करतो हे ऍटलिस्ट टीवाय बीएससी ला तरी म्हणजे आलं पाहिजे. क्लासिफिकेशन, टोटल क्लासिफिकेशन. आता एमएससी ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीचा सिलेबस मध्ये क्लासिफिकेशन मुलं डायरेक्टली शिकत आहेत. त्यावेळेस ते शिकत असताना प्रचंड म्हणजे अवघड आहे. त्यापेक्षा आपण बीएससी ड्रग केमिस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक कोर्स करतोय तर आपण क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स, मी म्हणतो 50% वेटेज ऑफ वन पेपर यू कॅन गिव्ह ऑन क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स. आता तुमच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये कुठेतरी टर्म्स ज्या राहतात, फार्माकोकायनेटिक्स, फार्माकोडायनामिक्स, मेटाबॉलिझम, सिक्रेशन, ह्या ज्या गोष्टी आहेत, ड्रग केमिस्ट्री हा फुल्ली कोर्स असला पाहिजे. त्याच्यामध्ये बऱ्यापैकी तुमचं जसं मॅडमनी म्हणलंय की अनालिटिकल माइंड न झालेला कोर्स असं वाटतंय. हा, केमिस्ट्रीचे टेक्निक हे तुम्ही केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये देणारच आहात निश्चितपणे, पण ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीचे टेक्निक हे ड्रग मध्ये आले पाहिजेत. म्हणजे फिजिकल केमिस्ट्रीचा काही भाग तुम्ही ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये इन्क्लूड करू नका, असं माझं वैयक्तिक मत आहे. आणि थोडस महाराष्ट्रामध्ये पहिल्यांदा ड्रग केमिस्ट्री मला वाटतं पुणे विद्यापीठात अहमदनगर कॉलेज अहमदनगरनं सुरुवात केलेलं होतं. म्हणजे अंदाजे 1990च्या दरम्यान डॉक्टर खन्ना सरांनी पहिल्यांदा ड्रग केमिस्ट्री नावाचा शब्द महाराष्ट्रात आणला. आणि गेले 31 वर्ष झालं आजही खन्ना सरांचं ड्रग केमिस्ट्री म्हणलं की खन्ना सर हे नाव घेतलं जातं. माहुलीकर सरांना माहिती आहे या गोष्टी. तर आपल्याला हा सिलेबस थोडस जेव्हा आपला डिझाईन होईल त्यावेळेस तो त्यांच्या डोळ्याखालून थोडासा घालावा असं मला वाटतंय. कारण थोडस चेंजेस करण्याची गरज आहे. जसं मी म्हटलं की इंट्रोडक्शन टू ड्रग केमिस्ट्री असलं पाहिजे, तसं ड्रग डिझाईन, डिस्कवरी, डेव्हलपमेंट हे हळूहळू तिथपर्यंत आपण नेलंच पाहिजे. आणि दुसरं, तुमचा जो वाद जो चालू आहे स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी टेक्निक्स, हा शेवटच्या सेमिस्टरला का 4th सेमिस्टरला का 5th सेमिस्टरला, मी म्हणतो की बेसिक स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी हे म्हणजे तुमच्या सेकंड इयरला होऊन जाऊ द्या कुठेतरी बेसिक. म्हणजे त्याच्यावरनं त्या मुलांना स्ट्रक्चरच डिड्यूस करता आलं पाहिजे असं नाही. फक्त फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी जसं बीएससी केमिस्ट्रीला आहे तसंच होऊन जाऊ द्या. आणि शेवटची सेमिस्टर हे पूर्णपणे ड्रग आणि ड्रग, तो मुलगा इंडस्ट्रीनं लगेच उचलला पाहिजे. तो मुलगा एमएससी ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्रीचा इक्विव्हॅलंट तयार झाला पाहिजे, कारण स्पेसिफिक कोर्स आहे हा आपला. त्यावेळेस डिझाईन करताना तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये ऍस्पिरिनचं सिंथेसिस सांगता मुलांना, आणि सिंथेसिस हा पार्ट कुठं येतच नाही अगोदर, किंवा आयबुप्रोपेनचं सिंथेसिस सांगता, तर सिंथेटिक केमिस्ट्री, सिंथेटिक ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री हे केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये तर येणारच आहे, पण इथं ड्रग सिंथेसिस हा पार्ट पण तिथं येऊ द्या, असं माझं मत आहे.
येस
आणि
सर.
दुसरं एक सर, आता कसं आहे की हा म्हणजे थोडस मला कुठतरी असं वाटतं की बीएससी फार्मास्युटिकल केमिस्ट्री आणि बीएससी ड्रग केमिस्ट्री मध्ये थोडस डिफरन्शिएशन आपल्याला करावं लागेल सर.
येस.
म्हणजे फार्मास्युटिकल केमिस्ट्री जर समजा विचार केला, बीएससी फार्मास्युटिकल केमिस्ट्री बरेचसे विद्यापीठ
नाही, कोणीतरी हे केलेलं आहे.
शिंदे सर आवाज येत नाही. शिंदे सर म्यूट केले. शिंदे सर आवाज येत नाही. शिंदे सर अनम्यूट करा, अनम्यूट करा. शिंदे सर अनम्यूट करा.
ओ सॉरी सर, सॉरी माझ्याकडनं कदाचित मी आता लॅपटॉपवरनं मोबाईल वरती शिफ्ट झालोय. मला असं सांगायचं होतं की सर, कांबळे सर आवाज येतोय का आता?
हा, येस सर, येस सर.
हा, मला असं सांगायचं होतं की इंट्रोडक्शन टू ड्रग केमिस्ट्री हा पहिल्या सेमिस्टरला तुमचा कोर्स असला पाहिजे, रादर दॅन फार्मास्युटिकल केमिस्ट्री जे म्हणलेलं आहे ते इंट्रोडक्शन टू ड्रग केमिस्ट्री. मग त्याचा पेपर 1 करा, पेपर 2 करा, 1 पेपर ठेवा, 2 पेपर ठेवा, हे आपल्यावरती डिपेंड आहे. आणि त्या मुलांना त्या विषयाची गोडी वाटली पाहिजे, की नाहीतर हा केमिस्ट्री सारखाच कोर्स आहे असं काहीतरी वाटू नये. कारण तो मुलगा एक वेगळं ध्येय ठेवून आपल्या कोर्सला आलेला असतो, की मला बीएससी 3rd इयर ड्रग केमिस्ट्री झाल्यानंतर मला डायरेक्ट कंपनीनं उचललं पाहिजे, माझं प्लेसमेंट झालं पाहिजे. हा उद्देश तो डोळ्यासमोर ठेवून आपण तो तसा करिक्युलम केला पाहिजे. निश्चितपणे जसं मॅडमनी म्हणलं की आपला करिक्युलम हा अनालिटिकल बेस झालेला आहे, निश्चितपणे मी ऍग्री करतो मॅडम तुमच्याशी. थोडस ड्रग कडे डायव्हर्ट व्हा, केमिस्ट्रीचे कॉम्पोनंट हे केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये निश्चितपणे येणारच आहेत. आणि जसं मी म्हटलं की बाबा बायोकेमिस्ट्री हा कॉम्पोनंट महत्वाचा आहे ड्रग केमिस्ट्री शिकत असताना, आणि बायोकेमिस्ट्रीला पण तेवढंच वेटेज दिलं पाहिजे जसं मायक्रोबायोलॉजीला. जर तुम्हाला ड्रग केमिस्ट्री करायचं असेल तर मुलांना केमिस्ट्री, मायक्रोबायोलॉजी आणि बायोकेमिस्ट्री या तिन्ही गोष्टी आल्याच पाहिजे, तरच ड्रग केमिस्ट्री तो मुलगा व्यवस्थितरित्या करू शकतो, असं माझं मत आहे. दुसरं की म्हणजे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेडिसिन किंवा प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ड्रग्स अशा स्वरूपाचा कॉम्पोनंट कुठेतरी आला पाहिजे. आणि बायो ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री किंवा बायो इनऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री हा पण कॉम्पोनंट कुठेतरी आला पाहिजे. त्या मुलांना कळलं पाहिजे की बाबा इनऑर्गॅनिक ड्रग्स पण आहेत, ऑर्गॅनिक ड्रग्सच्या सोबत इनऑर्गॅनिक ड्रग्स पण आहेत मार्केटमध्ये. तर त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड मग त्याच्यात मोड ऑफ ऍक्शन पर्यंत आपण टीवायला जाणारच आहोत, ड्रगची ऍक्शन पर्यंत जाणारच आहोत. किंवा एमएससी फर्स्ट इयरला तुम्ही ड्रग केमिस्ट्री जेव्हा कराल स्पेसिफिक, त्यावेळेस त्याची मोड ऑफ ऍक्शन पर्यंत तुम्ही जाणारच आहात. जसं की माहुलीकर सरांनी सांगितलं की मॉलिक्युलर डॉकिंगचं इंट्रोडक्शन तुम्ही टीवाय बीएससी 6 सेमिस्टरला डेफिनेटली तुम्ही देणार आहात. वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे सॉफ्टवेअरचं इंट्रोडक्शन बीएससी थर्ड इयरला तुम्ही द्या, निश्चितपणे द्या. येस सर.
कांबळे सर,
येस सर.
सरांनी बऱ्याच गोष्टी सांगितल्या, मी सांगितल्या. त्याच्यावरून असं लक्षात येतं की सिलेबस मध्ये सगळं आलंय, पण रिअरेंज करायची गरज आहे सेमिस्टर 1 to सेमिस्टर 6 मध्ये. आणि शिंगटे सरांच्याकडून एक सजेशन आलं बघा, खन्ना सरांचं. ज्यावेळी आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटला सुद्धा आम्ही MSc ड्रग केमिस्ट्री चालू केलं आमच्या विद्यापीठात, त्यावेळी आम्ही शर्मा सरांना स्पेशली इन्व्हाइट करून 2 मीटिंगला आम्ही बोलवलं होतं. आणि त्यांच्या गायडन्स खाली, कारण त्यांचा ह्याच्यामध्ये एक्सपर्टाईज खूप आहे, त्यांचं थोडं गायडन्स घ्यावं असं आमचंही सजेशन आहे. त्यांना तुम्ही इन्व्हाइट करा. आणि कसं आहे माहिती आहे का, कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह झालं पाहिजे, सक्सेसिव्ह. BSc ला मुलगा प्रायमरी शिकल्यानंतर त्याचं डिटेल काही भाग MSc ला झालं पाहिजे. अदरवाईज काय होतं, आपल्याकडे काही सिलेबस असे झाले, BSc ला सगळं होतं, 11-12 सगळं होतं, आणि तेच परत रिपीट MSc लेवलला येतं. असं व्हायला नको. स्टेप बाय स्टेप सगळं झालं पाहिजे. असं थोडं करा. पण सिलेबस आहे पण शफल करावं लागेल, थोडा गायडन्स घेऊन करावं असं माझं मत आहे. जास्त त्यात मोडतोडी करायला नको, पण शिफ्टिंग हे आवश्यक आहे. कारण स्टेप बाय स्टेप TYBSCचा मुलगा फक्त ड्रगच शिकेल, बाकी सगळ्या गोष्टी अगोदर झाल्या असतील, त्या कशा वापरायच्या ते असं आहे. आता मॉलिक्युलर डॉकिंगचा विषय म्हणजे फक्त इंट्रोडक्टरी पाहिजे. इंट्रोडक्टरी म्हणजे तिथं त्याला फक्त काय मॉलिक्युलर डॉकिंग आहे, काय मेथडॉलॉजी सॉफ्ट एवढंच माहित पाहिजे, बाकी काय नको. तो MSc ला गेला मग डिटेलमध्ये सगळं शिकेल, प्रॅक्टिकल करेल, सगळ्या गोष्टी. असं थोडं स्टेप बाय स्टेप झाला पाहिजे.
नाही तर सर माऊलीकर सर, जेव्हा त्याला मॉलिक्युलर डॉकिंगची स्टडी आपल्याला करून द्यायची आहे, त्यावेळेस त्या मुलांना एन्झाईम केमिस्ट्री पण आली पाहिजे सर.
हो, तुम्ही दिलंय की बायोकेमिस्ट्री, बायो ऑर्गॅनिक हे सगळं थोडं तरी आलं पाहिजे. मेडिसिनलच्या टचला असले, ड्रगला ड्रग डिस्कवरी क्लासिफिकेशन तर पहिल्या सेमिस्टरला झालं पाहिजे. ड्रगची ऍक्शन ही पहिल्या सेमिस्टरला झाली पाहिजे.
क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स हे मला म्हणजे कुठे ऐकण्यात नाही आलं सर. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स
नाही, थोडा सिलेबस कसा झालाय, एकदम असे मेन पॉइंट घेतले गेलेत, असं स्टेप बाय स्टेप झाला नाही. सेमिस्टर 1 पासून 6 पर्यंत असं स्टेप बाय स्टेप केला पाहिजे. मुलाला मागच्या सेमिस्टरच्या बेसवर पुढच्या सेमिस्टरचं शिकता आलं पाहिजे. असं थोडं करावं लागेल.
येस सर, डेफिनेटली वी थिंक.
अनकेटला सांगायचंय कांबळे सर.
येस मॅम प्लीज.
कांबळे, हा, आणखी एक मला सांगायचंय की लिगल ड्रग्ज अँड इलिगल ड्रग्ज हा सुद्धा पार्ट थोडाफार आला पाहिजे आपल्या सिलेबस मध्ये. आणखी बेसिक कन्सेप्ट आता सरांनी सांगितलं, शिंदे सरांनी, ते सगळे पॉइंट तर आलेच पाहिजेत. आणखी स्टेरॉइड्स म्हणजे काय किंवा डिटेक्शन ऑफ स्टेरॉइड्स हा सुद्धा पार्ट महत्वाचा आहे. जेव्हा आयुर्वेदिक औषधं किंवा इतर औषधं आणि आपल्याला कळत नाही ते स्टेरॉइड आहे का नाही, तर स्टेरॉइड डिटेक्शनचा पार्ट, अशा टाईपच्या टेस्ट आल्या पाहिजेत प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये.
ओके,
एवढंच सांगायचं होतं सर.
Yes, definitely we think on it, and according to suggestions by Honorable BOS member Maulikar sir, Singte sir, Saunkhe madam, we definitely think on that, and we rearrange it. And yes, we definitely include introduction of drug chemistry in our syllabus from first semester. So on the basis of that, we reshuffle that syllabus and send to all the BOS member. Please, Gilda sir, please give your suggestion.
Thank you, sir.
सर सिलेबस खूप छान पद्धतीनं म्हणजे ड्राफ्ट झालेला आहे. काही काही पॉइंट्स
Thank
आहेत बिकॉज आय एम फ्रॉम द फार्मा बॅकग्राऊंड अँड लास्ट 20 years आय एम वर्किंग विथ pharmaceutical education specifically and I drafted syllabus for various universities in India as well as for abroad.
Okay.
So first इयरला थोडं एपीएचची ज्याला अॅनाटॉमी फिजिओलॉजी आपण म्हणतो अँड पॅथोफिजिओलॉजीचा पार्ट इन्क्लूड झाला पाहिजे. सो की डिसीज होतोच कसा ऍक्च्युअली की रिसेप्टर लेवलवरती काय काय होतात आणि अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट रिसेप्टर लेवल आपण स्ट्रक्चर ऍक्टिव्हिटी रिलेशनशिप फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. सो दॅट
Yes.
इज द वन पार्ट. Then second part is about regulatory aspects आपण जे म्हणतो की ड्रग
जेवण झालं का?
सिंथेसिस बट
नाश्ता ह्याला
तेव्हा
मध्ये आता राहू दे, आता घरी तर चाललोय.
तर ती जी प्रोसेस असते आता बिंग आपण फार्मास्युटिकल इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये किंवा ड्रग
खूप
इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये
येतो
आपण
शुद्ध हवा.
ते
हा,
जातच
मी
नाही.
तर मास्क कुणी आलं तरच लावतो, नाही तर मोकळाच बसतो मी असं.
तेच काय
चाललो
आहे
इकडे फिरायला.
इन्क्लूड केली तर
Sir,
दॅट इज द वन.
your voice is unmute, please. Sinte sir.
सो
येस
रेग्युलेटरी
येस सर, सॉरी सर, सॉरी सर.
No problem, sir.
रेग्युलेटरी ऍस्पेक्ट्स आपण त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड करू शकतो. त्याच्यामध्ये आयसीएच गाईडलाईन जे इंटरनॅशनल कॉन्फरन्स ऑन हार्मोनायझेशन डिक्लेअर केलेलं आहे. ड्रग डेव्हलप कसा करायचा आणि ह्याचे डिफाईन प्रोटोकॉल्स आहेत जे ऑल ओव्हर वर्ल्ड वापरले जातात आणि जेव्हा सबमिशन असतं युएसएफडीएला असेल इंडियन एफडीएला असेल तर त्यावेळेस त्याच फॉर्मॅटमध्ये आपल्याला सबमिट करावे लागतात. तर ह्या प्रोसेसचा जर आपण केलं तर एक पार्ट होऊ शकतो ऍडिशन मध्ये. अँड देन अबाउट इंडस्ट्री एक्सपोजर मिळण्यासाठी सो जर आपण शेवटचा एक महिना फायनल इयरचा जर आपण इंडस्ट्री एक्सपोजर साठी देऊ शकलो ट्रेनिंग आपण त्याला म्हणतो किंवा जॉब काही असतात याच्यामध्ये ऍडमिशन होऊ शकते. दॅट्स ऑट आय थॉट.
Yes, yes. Definitely, sir. Your suggestions are too important because you having a lot of experience in pharmaceutical industry related to drug, and definitely what you suggest that part we would like to include in our syllabus. Thank you very much, sir. So, if any suggestion. Pardesi sir, Pardesi sir. Pardesi sir, please.
Yeah. There are many suggestions which are given by experts. I am not from the drug chemistry part, but still, one or two important suggestions which I will just add on to the people who have said. Like Gilda sir has said now that there should be industrial training. That is a good suggestion. Like in your third year, probably the last practical what you are taking, instead of that, you can keep it for industrial training.
Yes, sir.
That is my suggestion. And of course, the introduction of drug chemistry, what Sinclair sir was telling, the classification of drugs that has to be included in semester 1. That is what also I feel like should be coming there. Like it is not said anywhere in the syllabus, so it should come over there.
Okay.
Rest, I think, yes. Maulikar sir has said that rearrangement of syllabus should be done. Fine. It should be done because there are many breaks in between. There is no link as such. So probably after all this discussion, you will be doing that. So that's all from my side. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir, for your valuable suggestion. So definitely we think on your all suggestion, and according to Maulika sir, we definitely contact to Khanna sir for making the syllabus of drug chemistry. So we very soon rearrange it and send the soft copy to you for the approval. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you can take help of Gilda sir also because he is from pharmaceutical, no?
Yes, yes, definitely, sir.
Because he is already a member of our board of studies.
Yes,
So
yes,
you can send a draft to him and he will finalize that and then
yes,
resend it to you.
yes, yes, sir. Definitely. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, on behalf of US Chemistry, I welcome all suggestions. and I must congratulate my colleagues from the department, the subcommittee for formulation of drug chemistry syllabus, because being the members of chemistry BOS and to ask them to figure out the syllabus for drug chemistry was a difficult job for me and my head sir. But still, the attempt made by all my colleagues is not very bad. I think we have passed the exam with at least 50% marks. I'm sure we'll try to improve as per your suggestions. Thank you for your active participation. So the first session, that is drug chemistry, is over, and we'll start with the regular BSc1 and MSc1 presentation. Thank you.
Thank you all. Now we start session second. Presentation of revised syllabus, class MSc 1, semester 1 and semester 2nd.
Yeah, just a minute, madam. I am Pardeshi. I will be leaving the meeting because I am having another meeting. So I have gone through the syllabus. Later on, I will give you the approval. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So I am leaving the meeting now.
Yes.
Thank you.
नहीं है कैसे फोन करते हैं दिसते screen. Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable dignitaries, all the external BOS members, our beloved head and BOS chairman, Sawan ma'am, all my respected senior colleagues and staff, all teaching staff. Myself, Dr. Madhuri Barge, I am going to present here the revised syllabus of BSc Part 1st, which is going to implement from the next academic year 2021. So these are the Board of Studies members. We have external BOS members. So I will just skip this part, vision, mission, and objectives. I will directly go to the syllabus. The agenda of this meeting is to confirm the minutes of last meeting, which was held on 12th December 2020, where we have discussed the BSc Part 1st course structure, syllabus, and evaluation system. So as per the meeting held on 12th December 2020, syllabus of BSc Part 1st has been revised according to CBCS pattern and Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Now, to discuss and approve the BSc Part 1st course structure, so since this is going to implement from 2021, the course is of 1 year, pattern is semester, and medium of instruction is English. So this is the general course structure where BSc Part 1st, semester Part 1st includes 2 papers, BCT 101, BSc Chemistry Theory Paper 101, which is of physical chemistry, and second, BCT 102, Inorganic Chemistry Paper. As the practicals are semester wise, this is BCP 103 paper is of practical. So the whole each paper is having 2 credits along with practicals. This is the semester 2nd paper distribution, BCT 201 organic chemistry paper and BCT 202 analytical chemistry paper, along with semester wise practical pattern. So practical paper number is BCP 203. Again, each one carries 2 credits. So the total credits for chemistry paper is 12. So I'll be going one by one each paper. So this is the 101 physical chemistry paper. So in autonomous in 2018-19, the proposed syllabus was like this. In physical chemistry paper, there were 4 units: chemical mathematics, chemical energetics, chemical equilibria, and chemical kinetics. Now in this revised syllabus, we have, as per the suggestions of external BOS members and the last meeting, we have excluded first topic chemical mathematics from this syllabus. Then we have modified chemical energetics to chemical thermodynamics. Chemical equilibria and chemical kinetics are as it is, while the new topic instead of chemical mathematics was added is kinetic theory of gases. In the inorganic paper BCT 102, there is no change at all. That in 2000 syllabus proposed in 2018 and 2021 is almost same. And this is the practical paper BCP 103. So here physical chemistry paper and inorganic chemistry practicals are included according to syllabus. And here any other experiments can be added. So all these we had explained in previous meeting and approved this. For the semester second, we have organic chemistry paper, in which previously there were 4 topics: fundamentals of organic chemistry, stereochemistry, chemistry of aliphatic hydrocarbons, and chemistry of aromatic hydrocarbons. The topics are same here in the revised syllabus. The some points has been reshuffled according to external BOS member suggestions. And the last paper 202, which is of analytical chemistry. Here in old syllabus there were 5 units: basic concepts in analytical chemistry, purification and separation methods, chromatography, water analysis, and fertilizer analysis. While according to as per the meeting held in December 2020, this syllabus was revised as to the 4 units. Instead of 5 units, there are included 4 units. The first unit is same, basic concepts in analytical chemistry. Second is also same, purification and separation methods. The chromatography was renamed as introduction to chromatography. And 4th unit is as it is, water analysis. As per the suggestions by BOS members, only the fertilizer analysis topic is excluded from this paper. And again, this is the syllabus for practical 203 paper. Here practicals are based on, are relevant to the theory. So organic chemistry and analytical chemistry practicals are included here. So if we go unit by unit, then here the according to old syllabus chemical mathematics topic was there, unit first. But since we are having B group students also, most of the B group students are coming to the chemistry, and that part become very difficult. That is why this chemical mathematics topic has been excluded from this syllabus as per the suggestions. Then chemical thermodynamics, chemical energetics topic was unit number 2. Here the thermochemistry and thermodynamics, total 18 lecture units, sub-units were there. But since thermochemistry is been already taught in the 12th standard in detail, and to avoid the repetition of this, we have excluded as per the suggestions. And here only chemical thermodynamics is kept. The 3rd unit is chemical equilibria, which is same as in the old and revised syllabus. There is no change. And also the 4th unit chemical kinetics, which is also same. Just to replace the first unit chemical mathematics, here we have added the kinetic theory of gases in the revised syllabus. Sir, shall we discuss here the corrections, or shall we approve here the first paper syllabus? Any suggestion from experts?
No any suggestions, madam.
Okay, so shall I proceed?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am. So for the paper number 102, inorganic chemistry, comparison for old and revised syllabus, the units are same. Just the part which is highlighted in red color is omitted from this topic. Rest of the units are same. Therefore, I'm not going in detail. So all 4 units are same here in case of inorganic chemistry paper. Then for 201 organic chemistry paper, first unit, fundamentals of organic chemistry, so which is a very big unit and allotted for 12 lectures. So here the lectures are not sufficient to explain the fundamentals of organic chemistry, and according to last meeting we had excluded this part made in red, and this is revised syllabus where the application part is been omitted. Second unit, stereochemistry, which is again same in old and revised syllabus, but the suggestions from the external members are that nomenclature part should be skipped. So can we discuss here? Okay. Okay. Then third unit is chemistry of aliphatic hydrocarbons, where this is again for allotted for 7 lectures, but the part which is highlighted in red color is too much for the BSc part first level, and hence in last meeting we have approved this part is omitted from the syllabus. Fourth unit, chemistry of aromatic hydrocarbons. Here also the unit is same, just aromatic nucleophilic substitution part is highlighted in red is omitted.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Hello.
yes.
Hello. Madam, in unit number 3, that is chemistry of aliphatic hydrocarbons. This last slide.
Yes, sir.
And actually, in revised syllabus, there should be at least SN1 and SN2 reaction mechanism because it is very fundamental. It should be included, I think. It is very fundamental.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thanks.
But sir, lectures allotted are 7. Okay. Sorry. Then for 202 analytical chemistry paper, we had 4 units. First unit, basic concepts in analytical chemistry, in which A and B parts are there. In A part, concentration units, all basic concentration units are taken here, and B part, ionic equilibria. So unit is same in the revised syllabus. Second, purification and separation methods, in which solvent extraction is a different part from the other separation techniques, and therefore it is removed, deleted. Sir, is there any suggestion regarding this?
I mean, in previous slide,
Basic concepts.
madam, is there a Lee-Catlier principle in chemical equilibrium? Lee-Catlier principle, because it is industrially very important topic.
Yes, sir, that is a physical chemistry paper. So we have
Okay,
chemical,
okay.
physical.
Okay, I'm not okay, right.
Okay. Okay, so regarding solvent extraction, is there a suggestion from experts? Okay. Then third topic is chromatography. So according to Shinte sir, we have renamed it as a introduction to chromatography because it includes all the basics of chromatography and two types of chromatography, paper chromatography and thin layer chromatography, and therefore it is renamed in the revised syllabus. The fourth topic, water analysis, is same. Since the all papers contain 4 units, here analytical chemistry paper was with 5 units, and therefore according to suggestions of Shinte sir, this fertilizer analysis topic is excluded from the syllabus, and we have 4 units in the revised syllabus. So this content of syllabus has been framed according to UGC norms considering the CBCS pattern. This is the evaluation system for the BSc part first. 60-40 pattern is there. 60 marks for the theory paper and 60 40 100 marks for the theory paper and 25 marks for the practical, out of which end semester examination, for end semester examination each paper carries 30 marks, and there is a internal evaluation part where we conduct 2 online exams, IAC 1 and IAC 2. Each paper carries 5 marks, and also there are 2 home assignments for each semester and each paper of 5 marks each. So internal evaluation, there are 40 marks, and for the end semester examination, there are 60 marks. While for practical end semester examination, we have 15 marks, and case study and student performance is having 5 marks each. So there are total 25 marks for the practical examination, and thus the total chemistry paper along with theory and practical is of 125 marks. So these are the examiners, paper setters, and moderators for the various sections. Thank you. Sharing stop करूँ का? Sir, please, we need suggestions from the experts, if any.
Hello, बोलू का मी?
Yes, sir, please.
Yes, ma'am, you have nicely presented our revised curriculum, I can say, and you have made as per the suggestions made by all the experts that time in the month of December, I think so. And now it looks a very nice syllabus of BSc first year, first semester as well as second semester. And yeah, small corrections you have already done, shifting of some of the parts and renaming of the units as well. And it's a nice syllabus now, sir.
Thank you, sir.
शिंदे सर व्हिडिओ ऑन केला तरी चालेल, आम्हाला तेवढं तुमच्यावर जरा असं बघता येईल सर, फोटो पण घेते.
अरे बापरे. मॅडम, मी सकाळी 9 वाजल्यापासून कॅमेऱ्याच्या समोर आहे, सकाळी 9 वाजल्यापासून. आणि आता मी आलो आता घरी जेवायला. सकाळी 9 वाजल्यापासून 2 तास लेक्चर, त्याच्यानंतर या घ्या फोटो घेऊ शकता.
ओके, माहिती मला सर. ओके, थँक्यू सर. पण
Saunke ma'am, if you are having some suggestions, please.
मी एक सजेशन आपल्याला पाठवलं होतं मॅडम, की ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग मोड थोडा आता आपल्याकडे आला पाहिजे. म्हणजे आपलं जे सगळं ऑफलाईन टीचिंग आपण जे करतो आणि आता पॅन्डेमिक मुळे आता आपण ऑनलाईन टीचिंग शिकलोय, तर थोडाफार पार्ट आता आपण ऑनलाईन टीचिंगचा आणला पाहिजे सिलेबस. म्हणजे ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग मोड शुड बी देअर इन अवर सिलेबस.
मॅडम, साळुंके मॅडम, मी तुमच्या मताशी सहमत आहे. आता मागच्या वर्षी पुणे विद्यापीठानं बीएससी ब्लेंडेड हा नवीन कोर्स चालू केलेला आहे.
हो सर, ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग आवश्यकच आहे सर आता.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam. I agree with your suggestion, definitely. नाही बीएससी ब्लेंडेड सिलेबस म्हणजे ऍज पर चॉईस बेस्ड क्रेडिट अँड ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम आहे. पण त्या मुलांना खूप मोठी चॉईस म्हणजे त्या सब्जेक्ट मध्ये सुद्धा भरपूर देत आहेत. आता आपण चॉईस बेस्ड क्रेडिट ग्रेडिंग म्हणतो, चॉईस बेस्ड. वेर इज द चॉईस? आपण त्यांच्यावरती ते पेपर लादतोय खऱ्या अर्थानं. कारण तेवढे आपल्याकडे फॅकल्टी नसते, तेवढे रिसोर्सेस नाहीत. म्हणून काही कोर्सेस हे ऑनलाईन मोड मध्ये किंवा मूकच्या माध्यमातून, मूकचे जे कोर्सेस आहेत त्यातला एखादा कोर्स हा प्रत्येक वर्षाच्या स्टुडंटला कंपल्सरी करावा, हे आपलं पुढच्या मीटिंग मधलं माझं सजेशन असेल. मी आता सांगून ठेवतोय.
नाही, असा जो सिलेबस आहे ह्यातला सुद्धा काही पण ऑनलाईन घ्यायला काही हरकत नाही.
बरोबर आहे.
Thank you, sir, for your nice suggestions, and thank you, ma'am. Your suggestions are always welcome. We will do as per your suggestions. Professor Maulikar, sir.
माहुलीकर सर.
If there are no suggestions.
Yes, sir.
अनालिटिकल तर तुम्ही बरोबर केलेलं आहे सगळं रिवाइज. शिंगटे सरांनी केलेलं आहे, त्यामुळे मी काहीच बोललो नाही. आय एम ॲग्री विथ दॅट रिवाइज मॉडिफिकेशन्स. गो अहेड.
Thank you very much, sir.
यामध्ये फक्त एक इव्हॅल्युएशन पॅटर्न मध्ये होम असाइनमेंट जो पार्ट आपण ठेवलेला आहे आता, तो कोविड-19 पेंडेमिक पूर्ण ठेवलेला आहे. पुढच्या वर्षी तो रिवाइज होऊन जाईल. तेवढं एक सजेशन आहे. 10 मार्क्स जे आपण होम असाइनमेंटला दिले आहेत पर पेपर, तेवढा पार्ट एक आपण पुढच्या वर्षी 21-22 मध्ये जर ही सिच्युएशन लवकर संपली असं आपण गृहीत धरूया, तर त्या ठिकाणी ती कमी होईल. आणि मॅडमनी जे सजेशन दिलं ब्लेंडेड, तर त्यामधलं मूकचा काही पार्ट आपण त्या ठिकाणी त्या 10 मार्कासाठी मुलांना डेफिनेटली आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी देता येईल. आणि त्या पद्धतीनं मुलंही एक नवीन ऑनलाईन मोड मध्ये फर्स्ट इयर पासून जर सुरू झाले शिकत घ्यायला, तर त्या ठिकाणी टीवायपर्यंत चांगले कोर्सेस ते ऍडिशनल घेतील. थँक्यू.
Not only students, sir, but also teachers. Teachers should enroll first, then students will enroll for MOOC courses.
Yes, sir, definitely.
फॅकल्टीला आपल्याकडे कंपल्सरी करायला सांगितलेच आहे आणि ते ऑनलाईन चालू आहे.
So all the external BOS members, is the syllabus is approved?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam. Go ahead.
Now we become internal, not external.
Sorry. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So we will be starting with the next session.
Thank you all. Now we start the session second. Presentation of revised syllabus, class MSc 1, semester 1 and semester 2nd. So may I request to Dr. P.V. Chavan sir to give introductions and evolution structures on organic chemistry. Over to you, sir.
Okay, good afternoon, one and all. First of all, welcome all the Board of Study members, President of this meeting, Honorable Principal Dr. B.T. Jadhav sir, Chairman and member of BOS of Chemistry, and also the members of SGM College. They have joined this BOS meeting. In the last BOS meeting that held on 12 December 2020, we have already discussed the MSc Part 1 syllabus and whatever the minor changes have been suggested by honorable committee members. That changes have been made, and after 5 to 6 months, if there are any suggestions, then today we will discuss. In this MSc Part 1 course, we have 2 semester, 4 papers for theory, inorganic, organic, physical and analytical, they are having 60 hours each paper with 4 credits. So they are having 4 lecture per week. Similarly, practical course MCP 105 and 106, which include chemistry practical 1 and 2, having 15 practicals each and having 4 credit each. Similarly, for semester second, we have MCT 201 inorganic chemistry, 202 organic chemistry, 203 physical chemistry, 204 analytical chemistry, 16 hours each, which having 4 credits. Similarly, for practical course, which having NCP 206, 207, which include chemistry practical 3 and 4. Again, there are 2 sections in each practical course, and they having 4 units. So total 48 unit credit MSc Part 1 course structure is there. And if we see the evaluation pattern of this MSc Part 1, again it is 60-40 that we have already discussed in the previous BOS meeting. And we are approved for academic year 2021. So here paper number 1, theory having end semester 60 marks and internal evaluation ISC 1 10, ISC 2 10 and activity 20 marks. So for each paper, the activity having 20 marks is different, and as per previous meeting discussion, we have keep book review, CIII online course, survey, seminar, as well as group discussion, innovative idea presentation. So students should participate in the activities conducted by the college. In preparation of some model or some ideas, they are converted to the by taking the advantage of CIII center, which is in the premises of our college. Then in the practical course, journal 10 marks for internal evaluation, student performance 10 marks, and activity again here are 20 marks. So similarly for practical second, in the practical second for activity, as we have already started the project work for MSc student from first semester. So whatever the literature part of their project topic, they have to present it over here, and that having 20 marks. So here total 360 for end semester, 240 for internal ISE, and the total theory and practical marks are of 600. As per previous discussion, for the panel of examiner, paper setter, and moderator, we have having a long list of renowned subject experts of organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, as well as analytical chemistry specializations. So they actually participated in the paper setting, examination, and moderation. In the previous BOS, we have already discussed that comparison between the old our autonomous syllabus, Shivaji University syllabus, and whatever the revisions we have made in the MSc1 organic chemistry, that is MCT 102 and 202, that we will see. Mostly the reaction mechanism part and aliphatic nucleophilic substitution part, that is in the SUK syllabus, we have already neglect the aliphatic nucleophilic substitution because that is covered. Similarly, in the stereochemistry part, mostly when we can discuss about in the revision part, we are taking the minor changes in the stereochemistry. Rest of the part we have already accessed with respect to the SUK, that is Shivaji University Kolhapur, because in the previous autonomous syllabus framing we have taken the changes from the Shivaji University. So in the revise, we have keep that changes as it is, and only a few changes we have made as per previous discussion in the stereochemistry. Semester second, in the MCT 202, we have some reactions, alkylation and acylation part, oxidation reduction part. In the unit third, hydroboration, enamines and ylides that we have separated in the previous BOS that are in the combined. So we have keep three part A, B, C, and study of organometallic compounds. So that part we have keep as it is. So in the first unit, there is no changes in our syllabus that we have already framed in 2018, because that is already access as compared to the Shivaji University. And that part is even though access, but it is necessary for setnet examination, and that's why we have keep that part as it is. Aliphatic nucleophilic substitution and aromatic electrophilic substitution, that part also we have kept as it is. Addition and elimination reactions with mechanism and examples, that is a very important part, that also we have kept as it is as per previous discussion in the BOS. In the stereochemistry that we have discussed, that the symmetry operation part as well as the stereochemical features and configuration part that represented by purple color, that part has been deleted, and that part we have transferred to the MSc second semester fourth in the stereochemistry part, while the rest of the part we have kept as it is. In the suggestion, the symbol for enantiotropic and diastereotropic phases has been given, that part should be neglected, but this is an essential part. At introductory part, this is necessary to know the student at MSc1 level, and that's why we have keep this part as it is, that is the symbol for enantiotropic and diastereotropic phases. Because if we know this part at MSc1, then in the asymmetric synthesis of semester 4, that is very easy to understand the mechanism. So that's changes we have made that we have already discussed in the previous BOS held in December 2020. In the MCT 202, unit number 1, that also having different reactions with mechanism, and there are some suggestions from the BOS members regarding the reduction in the some name reactions. But those students who have joined at MSc1 to the first year having physical, inorganic and analytical specialization, that student must know such kind of reactions, because that reactions are asked in the setnet examination as well as the other competitive exam. And that's why for that student, these reactions like Hoffman, Smith, Curtius, Lawson, Prince, Orton, that reactions we have kept as it is. In oxidation and reduction unit number 2, already we have taken some reagents like KMnO4, MnO2, selenium oxide, osmium tetroxide, such kind of reagents that are included. That was already in the old autonomous syllabus, but some suggestions are there. So today we'll also discuss on this, that some reagents should be reduced as far as the syllabus of 15 lectures are concerned. That is oxidation having 8 lectures, reduction having 7 lectures. But again, the mechanism part of KMnO4, osmium tetroxide, and MnO2 that are required. So if honorable members of BOS should give the suggestion whether we can keep that part or we have to neglect, but this is a necessary part for the students, those who are having other than organic specialization. So they must know such kind of mechanism of oxidation reactions, and that are required for again setnet as well as when they join industry, because in industry there is no any kind of specialization is there. So all students having equal opportunities, and that's why some basic reagents, even though they are very simple, but they are commonly used in the industry, and that's why we have keep that part as it is. And hydroboration, as per suggestion of Honorable BOS member Singh sir, that various hydroborating agents, their mechanism and synthetic application of 9-BBN, hexylborane and decyamylborane, that only we have restricted over here, because unit number 3, even though it having 15 lectures, it having 3 parts, that is hydroboration, enamines and halides. So we have restricted hydroboration to cover within 6 lectures. So this is the unit number 3. As per suggestion, we are doing the appropriate changes. In the unit number 4, organolithium, organocobalt, iron, and uses of lithium. That is a very important part that we have included, application part. And also there is no change in the previous BOS that we have discussed. In practical, semester 1, in the section of organic chemistry, almost 15 practicals are there, that having preparation, single stage preparation, as well as the estimations are covered. And along with that, if any experiments are needed, that we will be added. But as far as the numbers are concerned, that experiments are again more than sufficient for the semester 1 organic section, because in the first practical or second practical, both practical having 2 sections each, and that's why almost 30 experiments are we have to cover. And in semester 2, there is a separation and identification of that is binary mixture, and along with that steam distillation techniques and estimation of pesticides that we have covered over here. So in the practical also there is no change as per discussion in the previous BOS. And I think if there is any suggestion after this BOS, we will definitely take and do the appropriate changes. And if there is no any kind of change, then we will approve this syllabus for implement in the academic year 2021-22. I think as per discussion with Singh sir, we have changes that sir has been given, that we have changes have been made, and now we will discuss whether it is sufficient or we have to do some correction in that. Singh sir.
Yes sir. आपण करेक्शन केलेलं आहे. पहिल्यांदा मलाच तुम्ही सजेशन विचारलं तर मी काय सांगणार.
सजेशन आपण मागच्या वेळेस घेतलेले ते सर्व केलेले आहेत. त्या व्यतिरिक्त अजून कोणाला जर काही सजेशन अजून वाटतं केलेलं आहे आणि त्यामध्ये
आपण एक्झरसाइज चांगली झालेली आहे सर, आणि माझ्या माहितीनुसार चांगलं वेटेज आलेलं आहे सिलेबसला. आणि जसं तुम्ही उद्देश डोळ्यासमोर ठेवून फिजिकल, इनऑर्गॅनिक आणि अनालिटिकलच्या मुलांना चांगली ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड सेमिस्टरला चांगली मिळावी, सगळ्या गोष्टी बेसिक ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री जे आवश्यक आहेत नेट सेटसाठी, त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आपण इन्क्लूड करण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. इवन दो आपण म्हणजे इनामाइन्स, इलाइड्स आणि हायड्रोबोरेशन हा टॉपिक म्हणजे हायली स्पेशलाइज्ड असताना सुद्धा आपण तिथे टाकलेला आहे फर्स्ट इयरला. इवन दो ऑर्गॅनोमेटॅलिक कंपाऊंड्स त्याच्यामध्ये एखाद दुसरा ऑर्गॅनोमेटॅलिक कमी करता आला तर बघा, नाही तर तसं ठीक आहे. जर आता तुमचा शिकवण्याचा पूर्वीचा अनुभव बघून काही गोष्टी मायनस करता आल्या तर करा, नाहीतर आय थिंक इट इज अ बेटर सिलेबस.
ओके, थँक्यू सर. साळुंखे मॅडम.
No sir, no suggestions.
Sawan sir, may I speak?
Yes,
okay,
sir, sure.
thank you sir. In case of MSc first, second semester organic paper, in name reaction and oxidation reduction, we should reduce some name reactions and oxidation or reduction reagent. Since sir, it is PG level and we have to teach thoroughly the reagent, one reagent requires one lecture, and according to me there are at most 28 reagents in that topic, oxidation and reduction. And if you have to study or you have to teach stereochemistry, regioselectivity, chemoselectivity, stereoselectivity about that reagent, and if we are looking at net and set examination, then if you want to teach keeping in mind the net and set examination, one reagent requires one lecture. तर ते 15 लेक्चर मध्ये 28 रिएजंट्स नाहीत होत. आता आम्ही शिकवतोय.
ऍक्च्युली हे घेत असताना MSc 1च्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यूनी जेव्हा आपण घेतो तेव्हा बरेचसे रिएजंट जे आहेत ह्यातले जरी BSc अंडर ग्रॅज्युएट लेवलला झालेले असले तरी मुलांना तेव्हा मेकॅनिझम समजत नाही, कारण MSc 1 लेवलला आपल्याला एक्सपेक्टेड हे आहे की त्यामध्ये त्या रिएजंटचं मेकॅनिझम आणि त्याची सिलेक्टिव्हिटी ही आपण त्या ठिकाणी फोकस केली तर त्या ठिकाणी तो जो पार्ट आहे तो कव्हर होतो आणि त्याचं ऍप्लिकेशन देत असताना त्यांना ती आयडिया आली की सिलेक्टिव्हिटीची, तर मला वाटतं स्टेरिओकेमिस्ट्रीमध्ये त्याची ऍप्लिकेशन पाहत असताना काही अडचण येत नाही.
बरोबर आहे चव्हाण सर, पण काय होतं
सरांनी जो
की
मुद्दा
सिलेबस
मांडला
कव्हर होत
आता,
नाही. आपण त्याला नंबर ऑफ लेक्चर तुम्ही 20 ते 25 रिएक्शन टाकलेत स्टडी ऑफ रिएक्शन मध्ये. ठीक आहे, त्याला आपण 12 लेक्चर देतो, परत दुसऱ्या टॉपिकला 3 लेक्चर देतो, म्हणजे 15 लेक्चर मध्ये तो सिलेबस संपतच नाही.
बरोबर आहे सर, तुमचं म्हणणं बरोबर आहे. आय अग्री विथ दॅट. इवन दो इफ यू वॉन्ट टू टीच सेलेनियम डायऑक्साइड इट रिक्वायर्स मिनिमम 1 hour लेक्चर. मिनिमम
हा सर, हा तेच आमचं म्हणणं आहे की एक सेलेनियम डायऑक्साइडची जर सगळे कन्सेप्ट सांगायचे म्हणले तर 1.5 तासाचं लेक्चर लागते.
3 तास कमीत कमी लागतात सर. मी शिकवतो माझ्या मुलांना 3 तास शिकवतो सर सेलेनियम डायऑक्साइड.
हो हो हो.
आणि ते पण आम्ही
एक्सेप्शनल केसेस सांगायचे म्हणले, आलायनिक ऑक्सिडेशन सांगायचं म्हणलं तर 3 तास जातील.
हो, यस आय डू अग्री. पण यांचा व्ह्यू असा आहे की अनालिटिकल आणि फिजिकलच्या मुलांना थोडं तरी का म्हणा काही ना काही रिएजंट बद्दल माहिती व्हावी. आणि परत पुन्हा सेकंड इयर ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये ह्या रिएजंटचं अनेक ऍप्लिकेशन परत पुन्हा आणखी येणारच आहेत. म्हणजे इथं त्यांचा अप्रोच असा आहे की एक एक्झाम्पल अनालिटिक ऑक्सिडेशनचं सेलेनियम डायऑक्साइडचं सांगायचं आणि सोडून द्यायचं, किंवा एखादं अल्फा ऑक्सिडेशनचं एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं आणि सोडून द्यायचं.
अच्छा,
जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन टुवर्ड्स दी रिएजंट्स. ऍप्लिकेशन डिटेल सगळे घ्यायचं म्हणलं तर दिस इज नॉट अ म्हणजे करेक्ट मेथड. आय अग्री विथ युअर कॉमेंट डेफिनेटली. कारण हा पेपर जो आहे तो 2 पेपरचा 1 पेपर केलेला आहे. म्हणजे
नेम रिएक्शनचं कसं होतं की प्रत्येक रिएक्शन घेतली की त्याचे ऍप्लिकेशन शिकवावं लागतात मुलांना. बरोबर
विद्यार्थी शंका विचारतात.
हा, 1-2 ऍप्लिकेशन सॉल्व्ह करून घ्यावं लागतं विथ मेकॅनिझम, असं होतं.
यस बरोबर आहे. पण आता कसं आहे की ऑक्सिडेशनचे काही रिएजंट हे BSc मध्ये पण झालेले आहेत, रिडक्शनचे काही रिएजंट हे BSc मध्ये झालेले आहेत. जस्ट रिव्हिजन ऑफ दॅट. आणि सम ऑफ द रिएजंट्स वी हॅव टू रिमूव्ह जस्ट लाईक KMnO4 परत पुन्हा सांगण्याची गरज नाही. पोटॅशियम डायक्रोमेट परत सांगण्याची गरज नाही. बरोबर आहे. किंवा एखादी नेम्ड रिएक्शन जी की BSc ला शिकलेल्या, जस्ट यू कॅन रिवाइज दॅट रिएक्शन ओरली, नॉट टू डिस्कस.
And even we can take simultaneously 2 to 3 reagents at the same time on, and we have to discuss like KMnO4, osmotic oxide. So simultaneous comparison is also very important, and that's why we are keeping that part in the syllabus.
चव्हाण सर, काय मायनस करता आलं तर करून टाका.
Definitely sir. As per discussion in the today's BOS, we will again check out and which part we will neglected from the oxidation and reduction. Definitely we will remove. In the name reaction, we are expected that as per suggestion by the Tanpure sir, that name reaction that we have to give the reaction and their mechanism, and just 2 important or 3 important applications, because these reactions are actually totally new for such MSc1 student, because that reactions are not covered in the undergraduate, and that's why we are keeping that reaction even though they are new, but we are expected that they should know, because if we remove that one, then it is very difficult to know the role of such kind of reaction that are involved in higher research.
After removing some part, we will approve it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any other suggestions? So definitely oxidation reduction we will check out and remove some part, and then we will send to all BOS member. Okay, thank you.
Chavan sir, even though that enamine, elide, and hydroboration, that is also huge part. If you want to teach elide, phosphorus elide, it requires 5 to 6 lectures. Nitrogen elides 3 lectures. Sulfur elide 3 lectures. If you want to teach really for postgraduate students. And in addition to that, hydroboration is there, separate hydroboration. And enamine, for enamine generation and applications, it may require 3 to 4 hours.
Yes, sir, because I have already taught in Kopargaon College that hydroboration is totally separate topic. Unit is there.
Yes.
I know that part, but in this case, because when we are covered in autonomous MSc 1 and MSc 2, so such kind of introduction is required. In protection, that part is very important.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you all. Thank you all, viewers member. Now may I request to Dr.
So, I think as per such a long discussion, this syllabus is approved for implementing in 2020-21. These are no doubt these are formalities, but we have to ask this at the last of this session.
Yes, I approve that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now may I request to Dr. B.B. Ganwat, sir, presentation of inorganic chemistry, practical, semester 1. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good afternoon to all of you. I'm Dr. Vishwanath Ganwat. Here with I am presenting the syllabus of inorganic chemistry. My screen is visible to all of you? Okay, this is a complete course structure for MSc First. Evolution pattern for MSc First. It is already discussed by our... Okay, this is the content. Comparison in between old autonomous syllabus, SUK syllabus and revised syllabus. I'm going to explain all the units in detail. Necessary points, these have been highlighted. For semester first, this is the unit first, chemistry of transition element. In this unit, we have been added few points and these points are highlighted. Additional points. Yes, sir.
Presentation on slide mode.
Yes, sir.
Slide mode पे रखो. Slide mode वरती ठेवा म्हटलं presentation.
Slide mode शो केला की ते जरा दिसायला त्रास होतो. Slide mode वरती. Yes. Is it visible now, sir? Hello? Okay. Okay, this is the unit first for semester first, chemistry of transition element. Additional points, these have been highlighted and these points are added in continuation with the syllabus of first and second year for inorganic chemistry purpose. Then this is the unit second, organometallic chemistry. In this unit, highlighted points, these have been added and these points are basic points to understand the structure and bonding in organometallic compounds. These points are important. In old syllabus, these are not included. That's why these are included in this revised syllabus. Then unit third, it is divided into two parts, metal ligand, equilibrium in solution and transition metal, carbonyl and related compounds. Actually, in old syllabus, there is a electric and optical behavior of inorganic materials, that was unit. And as per the suggestions of honorable BOS members in our previous meeting, they have told that to remove that old unit, and in replacement we have included this unit and it is highlighted. Then the fourth unit is nanoscience and nanomaterials. There is a no change. Actually, it is completely different syllabus as compared to the university. That's why it is not changes. No changes in this unit. Is there any suggestions in this semester first syllabus? Hello? Okay, can I go to the semester second?
Sir, you can go.
Yes, sir.
सर एक मिनिट.
मॅडम.
जरा प्रिव्हियस स्लाइड दाखवा बघू सर.
येस.
नॅनो सायन्स. टॉप डाऊन आणि बॉटम अप अप्रोच सर आपल्याला सांगता आला पाहिजे त्यामध्ये, त्या टॉपिक मध्ये.
येस सर. येस मॅडम. येस मॅडम.
टॉप डाऊन अँड बॉटम अप अप्रोच.
Okay, in our BSc third syllabus in physical chemistry that we have included. Actually, madam, during synthesis process in experimental methods. Here.
Okay, sir.
Of nanomaterials. Top down and bottom approach, we include it in this point also.
Okay, sir.
Yes. आधी ते देऊनच मग पुढे एक्सपेरिमेंटल मेथड घेतो. Okay. Then semester second, first unit, chemistry of non-transition elements. In this unit also we have included few points, additional points. These have been highlighted, and these are included because in continuation with the syllabus for the competitive purpose like set-net exams. Then unit second, stereochemistry and bonding of main group compounds. Bioinorganic chemistry. Bioinorganic chemistry, it is taken as it is, but in stereochemistry and bonding in main group compounds we have included 2 points, as these points are basic points and just introductory point with the other points. That's why we have included that points. Then unit third, chemistry of F block elements, lanthanide and actinide. In this unit we have included few points, and these are also highlighted. These points are also basic points to understand the compounds and their properties of lanthanide and actinide. And then last unit, unit 4, group theory. Old syllabus that was given, and in new syllabus we have added the detailed points. All points are given detailed, and as per the suggestion of honorable BOS member, we have deleted one point, that ortho meta para distributed benzene molecules. Okay, this is the semester second. Is there any suggestions about this semester second? Yes, sir. Okay. The next practicals. Practicals are taken as it is, as per our old syllabus. These are the practicals for semester first, and these are the practicals for semester second. Yes. Salunke madam, suggestions काही?
No any suggestions, sir. No any suggestions, sir.
Okay, these are changes they have made as per the suggestions of honorable BOS members. We have included all the points. Okay. If the syllabus is approved for implementation?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Next. Thank you all. Now may I request to Mrs. S.S. Lalge madam to present of physical chemistry. Over to you, ma'am.
इथं इथं घेतलं. Good afternoon to all the viewers member. I am here to present the MSc first year physical chemistry syllabus. Let's see the paper MCT 103, the physical chemistry for semester 1. First of all, I have here made the comparative study of the old autonomous syllabus and the revised autonomous syllabus. In this revised autonomous syllabus, we have changed the third unit, that is the biophysical chemistry with the macromolecules. The change is made as per the university syllabus and from the point of view of the competitive exam. Here, I had also made the comparative study between the revised autonomous syllabus and the Shivaji University syllabus. In this comparative study, we have changed the fourth unit, that is the molecular spectroscopy with the colloids and surface phenomena. Because the main purpose of this change is that we have to introduce the molecular spectroscopy to all the specialization students at the MSc first year level. In semester second, we have kept all the syllabus as the old autonomous syllabus. There is no change. In the semester second, uh, here the comparative study of the revised autonomous syllabus and the Shivaji University syllabus is made. Here we in the third unit, that is the electrochemistry, the subtopics has been changed. Here we have introduced only the introductory part in the electrochemistry, and the advanced part is included in the MSc second year. Here there is a brief discussion about the syllabus. For the semester first, MCT 101, the first unit is there is no change. In the second unit also there is no change. In the third unit, we had replaced the biophysical chemistry with the macromolecules as per the university syllabus, and also from the point of view of the competitive exam, that is NET and SET. In the fourth unit, we had omitted or we had reduced the syllabus. In this syllabus, we had omitted the Raman spectroscopy as the given topics were not completed in the allotted lectures. Now for the semester second, the first unit is kept at it is, and according to the BOS member suggestion, they have asked us to keep the nodes and nodal plane in this syllabus, but this topic is not related to our topic, but we will include that in the second year syllabus. The second unit is also there is no change. In the third unit, we had made only the introductory part. In the fourth unit, that is chemical kinetics, according to the BOS suggestion, they had told us to include the Link-Weaver-Burke plot and Aladi-Hofstee plot in the Michaelis-Menten enzyme catalysis, but we are already taking it as a sub point. This is the practical course for the semester 1. There is no changes for the semester 1 practical. This is the practical course for the second semester. There are no changes, but one additional practical is added as per the BOS suggestion, that is to draw the polar plots of atomic orbital like 1s, 2pz, 3dz square by using the angular part of the hydrogen atom wave function. These are the suggestions, these are the changes which we have made according to the suggestion of the BOS member. Is the syllabus approved, or there are some suggestions from the BOS member? Sound okay, madam? Is there any suggestions?
No, madam.
Okay. Is the syllabus approved?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all. Now may I request to Mr. P.M. Gaikwad sir to presentations of analytical practicals, the semester second. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Firstly, good afternoon, all BOS members and our faculty member also. With respect to the revised syllabus of MSc first, paper number MCT 104. Okay. Here it is. For the semester first, only one changes is there. That is the unit 4 is computer science in the old autonomous syllabus. That is changed to the thermal analysis, because this is the same unit in the university syllabus for the second semester. That is the only change here. And from the university syllabus, that is later on we compare this with the university syllabus. And secondly, for the semester second, unit number 3rd, that is titled with the in old autonomous syllabus, Mosebar and ESR spectroscopy, that are bifurcate into the two parts, A and B. A for the Mosebar spectroscopy and B for the electron spin resonance spectroscopy. All the syllabus is same. Here it is the comparative. Only the Shivaji University syllabus for the unit first, only the title is changed. In the old syllabus, this title is Errors and Treatments of Analytical Chemistry. We have to just reshuffle that title. That is Errors and Treatments in Analytical Chemistry. That is of which changes by in. That is the only changes made. The second unit, that is chromatographic method, in the Shivaji University syllabus, that unit is for unit number 3rd, for that is syllabus is same for that. Similarly, here fluorometry and phosphometry, that is newly introduced for our autonomous syllabus. That is, they are not for that of the Shivaji University syllabus. They have the fundamentals and quantitative analysis for under the unit number 2nd. And fourth one, thermal analysis, that is thermogrametric analysis and differential thermal analysis, TGA DTA, that is newly introduced in our syllabus. And here the electroanalytic techniques that are for the Shivaji University syllabus, because this TGA DTA, it is for the best for the number of questions are asked into that of the competitive exam. Here it is. The semester second syllabus is the same, but in the Shivaji University syllabus, the first unit has the 3 different part, A, B, and C. That is C part, luminescence, is shifted in the semester first. For that of the fluorometry and phosphometry, that unit is covered. That's why they are excluded. All the units are same. That is, we are introduced the Mosebar and ESR spectroscopy with respect to that of the Shivaji University syllabus, and the thermal analysis we are shifted for the semester first. That is the only change. नाही हा मॅडम शिवाजी युनिव्हर्सिटी मध्ये तो तिकडे घेतलेला आपण हे कंपॅरेटिव्ह दाखवतोय. त्यामुळे हा जो थर्मल अनालिसिस शिवाजी युनिव्हर्सिटी मधला युनिट नंबर 3 तो ऑलरेडी आपण काय केलं एमएससी फर्स्ट सेमिस्टरला शिफ्ट केलेला आहे. म्हणजे आपण फक्त मोझोबार अँड ईएसआर स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पिन रेझोनन्स स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी हा शिवाजी युनिव्हर्सिटी पेक्षा नवीन घेतलेला इन्क्लूड केलेला हा युनिट आहे. बाकी आपले जे राहिलेले 7 युनिट आहेत ते ऍज इट इज शिवाजी युनिव्हर्सिटी सारखे कॉमन आहेत आपले. ओके, हियर इट इज द सेम फॉर दॅट ऑफ द युनिट नंबर फर्स्ट. Unit number 2 is also same for that of the chromatographic method, but in Shivaji University, this unit for the unit number 3. that is fluorometry and phosphometry is newly added, because in the electroanalytic technique, this unit has a that is a luminescence, that part is covered in this unit. Computer science is wholly replaced by thermal analysis, TGA and DTA. For that of the unit first, in a semester second, paper number MCT 204, first unit, that is the ultraviolet and IR spectroscopy, that is molecular spectroscopy. Second unit is NMR and mass spectroscopy. Third unit is Mosobar and ESR spectroscopy. And last one is atomic absorption and flame emission spectroscopy and inductively coupled plasma spectroscopy. That is semester second, MCT 204, analytical chemistry. We can also say that that is the spectroscopic paper also. या पेपरला आपण स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपिक पेपर सुद्धा टायटल देऊ शकतो. ओके, दिस इज द प्रॅक्टिकल फॉर दॅट ऑफ द MCP 106 practical second, section B for the analytical chemistry, and that analytical chemistry is divided into three sections: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. Here the physical chemistry, these are the practicals. This practical is same that of the Shivaji University practical, no changes there. Here the organic chemistry practical is also same that of the Shivaji University practical, and inorganic chemistry practical is also same that of the Shivaji University practical. There is a no change, but we have made a change in the second semester practical, that is MCP 207 fourth, that is the inorganic and organic chemistry section. We included two newly practicals. Here the practical from the physical chemistry section. Second, that is the fifth practical from the organic chemistry. Interpretation of IR spectra is newly added. This is the one change we made in the practical. And another change in the practical, that is inorganic chemistry section, estimation of Fe, that is iron, from given sample of soap sample colorimetrically. That is newly added practical. Rest of the practical is same that of the Shivaji University. From the BOS member, any suggestion in the syllabus?
Hello. I have one question, sir.
Yes, yes.
As per the last meeting, the suggestions given, you have made the correction, right? So you have added there fluorescence and phosphorescence. So can we change that title into that luminescence? Because that is the type of.
Sir, आवाज थोडासा कमी येतो.
Can we change that title, that fluorescence and phosphorescence, into the luminescence?
Fluorometry and phosphometry are changed to that of the fluorescence and phosphorescence. Is it?
No. That fluorometry and तो जो पार्ट आहे तो पार्ट आपला ह्याचा luminescence पार्ट आहे ना.
ओके, बरोबर.
हा.
Fluorometry and phosphometry, that is part from luminescence spectroscopy.
Luminescence spectroscopy.
They want to change the title. That is fluorescence and phosphorescence.
मेट्री आहे ना,
मेट्री आहे ते सर, तो तसा फिनॉमिनन दिसतो. फ्लोरोसन्स अँड फॉस्फोरसन्सचा नुसतं तुमचा फिनॉमिनन वाटतो. याचं सगळं तुमचं येणार आहे.
Instrumentation, applications.
तर आपण luminescence spectroscopy करू शकतो.
And one more suggestion there, in the UV spectroscopy, so you can आपण जो हे म्हणतो काय ते BS Lambert's law. So there you can add as an application molar absorptivity.
Molar absorptivity.
उसका त्याचे काय करायचे, त्याचे ऍप्लिकेशन प्रॉब्लेम्स वगैरे तिथे ऍड करू शकत असतात तर ते करा. It is already included in BS Lambert's law, but and it is nothing but that molar reciprocity.
सर तुमचा आवाज थोडासा कमी येतो.
हॅलो
हॅलो.
युव्ही स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी मध्ये ना पण तुम्ही ते बीएस लॅम्बर्ट प्रोजेक्ट घेतलाय ना त्याच्यात
Yes.
तो जो आहे तो मोलार रेसिप्रोसिटी आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आपण ते समजा तिथे हे केलं काय तिथे थोडा ऍप्लिकेशनचा पार्ट टाकला तर आय थिंक दॅट इज बेटर.
Yes. We included that part. Any another suggestions?
And I think last time I had raised one suggestion regarding that वॉटर कंटेंटचे आपण एक हे करत होतो ना वॉटर कंटेंटसाठी एक मेथड होती ते मेथड मला वाटतं त्याच्यात ऍड केली नाही.
कार्ल फिशर रिएजंट कार्ल फिशर.
Okay. For the practicals. No.
I think I have.
सर मी काय बोलू का?
Yes.
साळुंके मॅडम आणि सावंत मॅडमना मला एक गोष्ट म्हणजे माझी क्लिअर करायची आहे की आपण प्रत्येक वेळेस आपण शिवाजी विद्यापीठाचं सिलेबस कंपॅरिझन करतोय प्रत्येक वेळेस. आता आपण ऑटोनॉमस होऊन मला वाटतं 3-4 वर्ष झाले आणि आपण 2-3दा सिलेबस रिवाइज केलेला आहे आणि आपण आपलं बीएससी ऑटोनॉमस आहे आपण आपला सिलेबस तयार केलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यात आपण अपग्रेडेशन करतोय आणि जेव्हा अपग्रेडेशन करतोय तेव्हा एकाच इन्स्टिट्यूटशी किंवा एका ऑर्गनायझेशनशी कंपॅरिझन करून चालत नाही. आपला करिक्युलम हा त्यांच्यापेक्षा किती वेगळा आहे हे आपण दाखवलं पाहिजे. आणि दुसरं मला एक असं वाटतंय की शिवाजी विद्यापीठाच्या सिलेबस बरोबर जेव्हा तुम्ही कंपॅरिझन करता तेव्हा तो सिलेबस हा डिपार्टमेंटचा आहे का अफिलिएटेड कॉलेजचा आहे. कारण कधी कधी बऱ्याच युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये असं आहे की युनिव्हर्सिटी डिपार्टमेंटचा सिलेबस वेगळा आणि अफिलिएटेड कॉलेजेसचा वेगळा आहे. मग त्यावेळेस आपण जेव्हा कंपॅरिझन करतो त्यावेळेस हा डिपार्टमेंटचा सिलेबस आहे का अफिलिएटेड कॉलेजचा आहे. बरं ठीक आहे कुठला तर असू द्या पण मला काय म्हणायचं की आता याच्या पुढे कंपॅरिझन करायचं नाही आपल्याला पुढे जायचं आहे त्याच्या पुढे जायचं आहे.
Yes.
हा पॉइंट शिवाजी विद्यापीठाच्या या पेपरमध्ये इतका चॅप्टर आहे. आता हे बिलकुल म्हणजे ते सुरुवातीला ठीक होतं फर्स्ट टाइम वेन यू आर प्रिपेअर्ड द ऑटोनॉमस करिक्युलम. नाऊ यू आर टोटली ऑटोनॉमस. हा
आपल्याला विद्यापीठाने 20% सिलेबस चेंज करायला अलॉट केलेला आहे.
बरोबर आहे.
आपण 20 to 30% पर्यंत जाऊ शकतो.
बर हा.
त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला तो सिलेबस थोडासा कम्पेअर करावाच लागतोय शिवाजी विद्यापीठाशी.
बर
त्यांच्या गाईडलाईन्स प्रमाणे जावं लागतं त्याच्यामुळे ते शिवाजी विद्यापीठाशी आपण कम्पेअर करतो
ओके झाला क्लिअर झाला सर मुद्दा. आणि दुसरा एक मुद्दा आता अनालिटिकलच्या सरांनी जो सांगितला की आम्ही टीजीए ऍड केलेला आहे नव्यानं तर त्याच्या पुढे टीजीए डीटीए आणि वन मोर टेक्निक इज देअर डीएससी टेक्निक.
Yes. Included.
हा डीएससी टेक्निक पण युजफुल आहे. जसं आता सरांनी एक सजेशन दिलं तुम्हाला की फ्लोरोसन्स आणि फॉस्फोरन्सन्स या म्हणजे टायटल चेंज करण्यासंदर्भात तसंच आपण टीजीए डीटीए आणि डीएससी बिकॉज दॅट इज व्हेरी मच युजफुल टेक्निक फॉर कॅरेक्टरायझेशन ऑफ इनऑर्गॅनिक मटेरियल नॉट ओनली इनऑर्गॅनिक बट ऑल्सो ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड्स. डीएससी.
Yes, sir. That is included in the syllabus.
ओके. थँक्यू.
सर
Yes, sir.
मी बोलतो माहुलीकर. हे ऑटोनॉमस जे होतं ना कॉलेज तुम्ही जो पॉइंट रेस केला ऑटोनॉमसचा सिलेबस वेगळा असतो वगैरे हे खरं आहे. त्याने मगाशी कोणीतरी बोलले की विद्यापीठानं मला 20% असं केलेलं आहे तसं केलं तर ते तसं नसतं. ऑटोनॉमस मध्ये आता आमच्या विद्यापीठांतर्गत जे ऑटोनॉमस कॉलेज आहेत त्यांचा काय सिलेबस आहे ते काय ठरवतात ह्यात विद्यापीठ 0% ढवळाढवळ करतो. अजिबात विद्यापीठ बघत नाही. त्यांना पूर्ण राईट राहिलेला अकॅडमिक फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी पूर्ण आहे ऑटोनॉमीच्या अंडर. त्यामुळे विद्यापीठ 20% म्हणतं 15% म्हणते हे त्यांना लागू होत नाही. इतर कॉलेजला लागू आहे. ऑटोनॉमस ही फुल्ली ऑटोनॉमस आहे. तेव्हा त्यांनी स्वतःचा सिलेबस बनवताना स्वतःचाच बनवायचा, इतरांशी कम्पेअर करू नये. कम्पॅरिझन करावं कुठलं चांगलं घेता येईल ते. पण मगाशी जे बोलण्यात आलं की विद्यापीठांना मला 20% बंधन दिलं, तसं बंधन अजिबात नसतं. ऑटोनॉमस मध्ये तुम्ही फुल्ली फ्री टू रिवाइज सिलेबस ऍज पर दी चॉईस ऑफ युअर टीचर्स अँड स्टुडंट. असं थोडं आहे त्याचं.
सर सुरुवातीला जे आम्हाला गाईडलाईन्स सांगितल्या गेल्या त्याच्यामध्ये 20 ते 25% जास्तीत जास्त 30% तुम्ही चेंज करा. आता आपलं युनिव्हर्सिटीज होते त्यावेळेस क्लस्टरची, त्यावेळेस आपल्याला पूर्ण फ्रीडम आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपण 100% कुठलाही सिलेबस घेऊ शकतो क्लस्टर मध्ये.
पण सर जसं म्हणतायत माहुलीकर सर, तसं आपल्याला अकॅडमिक ऑटोनॉमी आहे ना कम्प्लिटली. मग ऑटोनॉमस स्टेटस देताना या अकॅडमिक ऑटोनॉमी आहे फक्त आपल्याला, बाकी थोडी फायनान्शियल ऑटोनॉमी वगैरे ह्या गोष्टी आहेत.
फायनान्शियल नाही, अकॅडमीच आहे. पण माझ्या मते सुरुवातीला असं सांगितलं गेलं होतं की 25% किंवा 30% तुम्ही चेंजेस करू शकता सिलेबस मध्ये, आणि त्या दृष्टीने आपण पहिला ऑटोनॉमस सिलेबस केला होता ना तो तसाच केला होता.
नाही ते सुरुवातीला मी मान्य करतो, सुरुवातीला काहीतरी फ्रेमवर्क डोळ्यासमोर आलंच पाहिजे त्या दृष्टिकोनातून, कारण आपल्याकडे येणारा विद्यार्थी हा त्या परिसरातलाच असतो, तो उद्देश डोळ्यासमोर ठेवून केलाच पाहिजे. पण आता पुढे जाताना असं कुठं म्हणजे मला नाही वाटत की 70% सिलेबस विद्यापीठाचा ऍज इट इज घेतलाच पाहिजे, कारण तुमचं बीओएस वेगळं आहे, तुमचं अकॅडमिक काउन्सिल वेगळं आहे.
तसं काही जेआर आहे का? जेआर आहे का सर? कोणत्या बेसिस वरती बोलताय?
की समजा एखादा ऑटोनॉमसचा विद्यार्थी आहे आणि बीएससी भाग 1 तो पास झालेला आहे आणि जर त्याला दुसऱ्या कॉलेजमध्ये जायचं असेल तर त्याला कुठेतरी तो सिलेबस थोडाफार मॅच झालेला असावा.
हो, ऑटोनॉमी सिलेबस केला तरी कोणताही सिलेबस, अनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री पीएससी, अनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री एमएससी 70% सेमच असतो भारतभर सगळ्या विद्यापीठात गेला तरी. 30-40% फरक राहतो, तो मुद्दा येतच नाही. ऑटोनॉमी म्हणले की ऑटोनॉमी विद्यापीठाचा ऑटोनॉमस. आम्ही ऍडमिशन पासून त्यांच्या सिलेबस पर्यंत विद्यापीठ काही बघत नाही, त्यांना टोटली फ्रीडम आहे आमच्या विद्यापीठाअंतर्गत. त्यामुळे ऑटोनॉमस स्टेटस आहे, त्यामुळे तुम्ही त्याचं स्टँडर्ड हे वाढवलं पाहिजे. तुम्ही तुमचा सिलेबस असा केला पाहिजे की दुसऱ्या कॉलेजनी दुसऱ्या विद्यापीठात म्हणलं पाहिजे हा सिलेबस आपण घेतला पाहिजे, असं थोडं फ्रीडम आहे त्यामुळे.
सर मला आणखी एक सांगायचं आहे.
येस सर, येस सर.
एक मिनिट बोलू का मी मध्ये? शिवाजी युनिव्हर्सिटीने काही लेटर वगैरे काय तुम्हाला दिलेलं आहे काय तसं, किंवा काय बीओएस नी की 70% तुम्ही घ्यावा असं?
हॅलो सर.
हा
आम्हाला दिलेले आहे
निर्देश दिलेत म्हणजे लिखित दिलेत काय?
लिखित दिलेत ना, लिखित आहे.
हा मी चेक करतो इथं. जनरली कसं की ऑटोनॉमी दिली म्हणजे तुम्हाला चांगला सिलेबस सिलेक्ट करण्यासाठी मुक्त परवानगी दिल्यासारखं असतं जनरली.
सर ऍफिलिएटेड टू शिवाजी युनिव्हर्सिटी म्हणते ना, त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला 30% मॅक्सिमम आपण चेंज केलेला आहे काही ठिकाणी. 30% पर्यंत गेलेलो आहे, म्हणजे त्यांचं म्हणणं 20% पर्यंत जावं. आपण 30% पर्यंत सुद्धा गेलेलो आहे.
सर आणखी एक मला सांगायचंय. बोलू का मी?
येस मॅम.
हा, TYBSC ला जी एनएमआर स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी शिकवली जाते ती तशीच्या तशी एमएससी फर्स्ट ला शिकवली जाते. मला वाटतं थोडंसं हेट्रोन्युक्लिअर कपलिंग वगैरे ऍडिशनल आपण एमएससी ला घातलं पाहिजे, कारण पूर्णपणे तोच टॉपिक तेच पॉइंट सगळे एमएससी मधला आहे.
मॅडम टीवायचे एनएमआर आणि एमएससी फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड इयरची जी एनएमआर आहे ना त्याच्यामध्ये खूप डिफरन्स आहे. आपण जस्ट जे बीएससी आहे ना ते बेसिक कन्सेप्ट शिल्डिंग डिशिल्डिंग एनिस्ट्रॉपिक इफेक्ट पर्यंतच घेतो, आणि न्यूक्लिअर ओव्हरहाउस इफेक्ट वगैरे आहे किंवा डीईपीटी जे काय आहे ते आपण पीजी ला घेतो.
एमएससी ऑर्गॅनिक मध्ये सेकंड इयरला आहे सर ते, आणि अजून हेट्रोन्युक्लिअर कपलिंग आपल्याकडे नाहीच आहे. हेटकोर, कोझिन, ओजी हे अजून आपण तिकडे गेलेलोच नाही.
हो, एमएससी फर्स्ट ला ऍड करू शकता.
हेट्रोन्युक्लिअर शिवाय 2D एनएमआर
एनएमआर आहे ते सेकंड इयरला आता आपण नवीन सिलेबस आहोत त्याच्यात करतोय.
नाही ते फर्स्ट इयरला ऍड केलं तर बेटर आहे सर ऍक्च्युली. कोजिन जे आहे 1D 2D 3D ते कम्पॅरिझन जसे डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह
अच्छा, आपण कोडिंग आणि कोडिंग वगैरे ना हे एमएससी ऑर्गॅनिक मध्ये घेतलंय आणि फर्स्ट इयरला आहे ना की जे स्ट्रक्चर डिटर्मिनेशनशी रिलेटेड आहे ते सगळे पॉईंट कव्हर करतोय.
ऍटलिस्ट हेडकोर तरी आलं पाहिजे सर, हेट्रोन्युक्लिअर कपलिंग तरी आलं पाहिजे.
कपलिंग ऑलरेडी आपण ऍडव्हान्स स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपिक टेक्निक मध्ये हेट्रोन्युक्लिअर कपलिंग सी 13 मध्ये ऑलरेडी घेतो मॅडम. आता तुमच्याकडे घेतात का मला माहित नाही, कारण मी आता स्वतः गेली कित्येक वर्ष ते हेट्रोन्युक्लिअर कपलिंगचा पॉइंट आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये कार्बन हायड्रोजन कार्बन कार्बनच्या व्यतिरिक्त कार्बन फॉस्फरस कार्बन फ्लोरीन हे सर्व त्या ठिकाणी घेतो. तसं ते घेणं गरजेचं आहे, कारण जे काही स्पेक्ट्रा असतात त्यामध्ये जो काही C13 मधला बदल आहे, स्वतः माझ्याकडे जे ते स्पेक्ट्रा आहेत पीएचडीचे फ्लोरीन असलेल्या कंपाऊंड मध्ये कसा चेंज दिसतो ते मी स्पेक्ट्रा स्वतःचे जे आहे ते दाखवून मुलांना सांगतो. त्यामुळे तो पार्ट आहे. फक्त तुम्ही म्हणता तसा 2Dचा पार्ट आपल्याकडे नाहीये शिवाजी विद्यापीठामध्ये सुद्धा, तर तो आपण ह्या वर्षी एमएससी 1 नंतर पुढच्या वर्षी तो बदलतोय सर्व, आणि ते तिन्ही पॉइंट आपण त्यामध्ये 2D चे इन्क्लूड करतोय की जे आपल्याला रिसर्च साठी उपयोगी पडतात. कोझी हेड कोरन ते
साळुंके मॅडम, ते ज्या प्रमाणे तुम्ही सांगताय टीवायचं आणि एमएससीचं तसं जर सेम असेल तर चेंज आपण करू. नवीन सगळं टाकलेलं आहे एमएससी भाग 1 ला आणि एमएससी भाग 2 ला आपण पुन्हा रिशफल ज्यावेळेस करणार आहोत पुढच्या वेळेस, त्यावेळेस अजून काही तुमचे सजेशन असतील तर त्यापूर्वी आले तर ते करून टाकू.
होय सर, होय. कारण एनएमआर स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी मी शिकवते सर इथं बीएससी 3 ला पण आणि एमएससी 1 ला पण, त्यामुळे मला माहिती आहे काय दोन्ही सेमच आहे.
Okay. The change in the title of that fluorometry and phosphometry by other and ultraviolet spectroscopy, the change suggested we made the change and this syllabus is approved.
Whether this syllabus is approved?
Yes sir, no problem.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir.
Thank you all of you. Now may I request to Dr. G.D. Kokate sir for discussion and approval to draft syllabus for add-on value-added capsule courses, revision of syllabus for diploma, new syllabus for advanced diploma courses. Over to you sir.
Just wait. Good afternoon to all dignitaries and colleagues. I am here to present Good afternoon to all dignitaries and colleagues. I am here to present the professional syllabus of professional courses. Today's agenda of the BS meeting is that to discuss new and revised syllabus. So these are the professional courses: advanced diploma program, value-added courses, add-on courses, and capsule courses. So first we will discuss and approve new second-year advanced diploma program. Name of this program is the Synthesis and Processing of Dyes and Physiochemical Analysis. This is the syllabus structure. Per year we have the 600 marks, so total 1200 marks. This is the evaluation pattern for the advanced diploma program. So the first advanced diploma program is the Synthesis and Processing of Dye. These are the objective and outcomes. So syllabus structure is like this one. It is a semester-wise program. This is second year, so semester 3 and 4 will be there, and they will have the one paper. Title is the ADCEST 303. Name of that paper is the Synthesis of Selective Dyes. Under this, we have two units, the first and second, and then we have the practical ADCCL 303. In semester 4, we have the one paper, and it will have the 2 units and practical. And the annual pattern will be for the project and the industrial and or incubation and or research and or field training. So this is the structure of the advanced diploma program. So let's discuss the syllabus. This is the semester third syllabus. Name of the paper is the synthesis of selected dyes. The first unit is for 15 lecture. Name of this unit is the classification of dyes based on the chemical constitution and synthesis of selected dyes. So under this unit, we have the different types like nitro dye, azo dye, nitrous dye, etc. The second unit is for the 15 lectures. Title of the paper, paper name of this second unit is the health and environmental hazards of synthetic dyes and their remediation process. So under this, we have included these points. This is the practical for the semester third. Code is the ADCST 303. The first practical is the separation of component and of natural pigment by chromatography. Second is the synthesis of anthraquinone dye. Third one is the printing of cotton with the different dyes and methods like block printing, screening printing. Fourth one is the shade matching of wool with acid dyes, so on. This is the semester 4 of the first second year advanced diploma program. The first unit under semester 4 is the non-textile uses of dyes. So under this unit, we have the biomedical uses of dyes, and then dye use in the food and cosmetics. So these points are included in this unit. The second unit is about the pigment. Under pigment, we have the more details about the pigments, is definition of pigments, classification, then right fit pigments, difference between the dyes and pigment. And second part under this unit is the dye industry from the Indian perspective. And these are the practical for the semester 4. The first one is the shade matching of the wool with the metal complex dye. Then shade matching of silk with acid dye. Third one is the shade matching of silk with the metal complex dye. Dyeing of cottons and viscose with reactive and white dyes. So these are the practical for the semester 4. And the project will be annual. So the project is having contact hours 60 and have the credits too. So along with project, student will have the industrial or incubation training. So this is the syllabus for the second year advanced diploma program. So I request all the viewers member to comment on the syllabus. Okay. Adil sir?
Yes. Should I ask?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, actually, you have well presented. Actually, this current syllabus tries to build opportunities in terms of employability. Actually, it is fantastic, that stuff. Sir, I'm missing one topic. I missed there. One topic is there, that is classification based on application. You have been mentioned classification based on constitution, but you can also add this topic, classification based on application for the dye stuffs.
Okay, sir.
And just like acid dyes, bad dyes, direct dyes.
Included in the syllabus.
So definitely it will be included in the syllabus.
Yeah. Actually, the revised syllabus is adequately covers contemporary topics, global issues, emerging global and national trends in dye stuff market. So actually, it is good. Thank you.
Okay, okay, sir.
Based on application.
Okay, sir. Is this syllabus approved?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, Kumba, sir. Okay, now we will move to the another advanced diploma program. Just a minute. Okay, now we will discuss the second year advanced diploma program, and title of that program is the physiochemical analysis. This is the new syllabus we designed for the PG student. These are the objective and outcomes. Course structure and evaluation pattern is the same as just we now discussed. So I will skip this part. So this is the semester-wise program, and we'll have the one paper in each semester. Under one paper, we have the 2 units, and then practical. So theory and practical will be semester-wise, but project will be the annual pattern. So this is the syllabus for the semester 3. The title of the paper is the Pharmaceutical Analysis 1. The first unit is the sources of impurities in pharmaceutical raw material and finished product. So under this, we have the raw material, method of manufacture, contamination, atmospheric particulate cross contamination, then a process error, packaging errors, chemical instability, then general manufacturing processes, stability study, shelf-life fixation for the formulated product. So this is the first unit, and it will have the 15 lectures, content hours. The second unit is the test and assay of raw materials and finished products. So under this unit, we have the 4 part. The first part is the biological assay. Second part is the chemical test and assay. And third one is the analysis of the vegetable drugs. And fourth part is the physical test and assay. So this is the semester 3 theory. For the practical semester 3, we have the preparation of pharmaceutical buffers. Then second is the identification of impurities by the limit test. And under this, we have iron, chloride, sulfate, arsenic, and lead, etc. The third is the qualitative and quantitative analysis by analytical techniques like HPLC, GC, UV, IR, etc. And then any suitable experiment can be added in this practical. For semester 4th, paper name is the Pharmaceutical Analysis 2nd. It has the content hour 30 and credits 2. The first unit is the introduction. Under this, sources of drugs, difference between drug and medicine, then dangerous drugs, narcotics, classification of drugs, fundamental of drug action, then introduction to drug discovery and design, role of pharmacology in drug discovery impurities, and so on. So, and second unit is the drug analysis. So under drug analysis, we have the drug characterization using the instrumental technique like gas chromatography, HPLC, and EMS, etc. And the second part is very important, which is the spectral characterization and analysis of some of the following drug molecules. So these are the drugs molecule we have taken in the unit 3. For example, local anesthesia, sedative drugs, all these. And these are the practical for the semester 4th. Determination of amount of vitamin B2 in the medicinal tablet, estimation of vitamin C by the 2,6-dichloroendophenol method, estimation of sulfadizing, synthesis of methyl salicylate, synthesis of paracetamol, synthesis of benzoyne, synthesis of phenotine, synthesis of barbiturate acids. And also we have the interpretation of the isolation and separation, purification of various group of chemical constituents, and any suitable experiment may be added. And the project will be the annual. Its code is the ADC PPP 202, and there will be industrial or incubation or research training. So this is the syllabus for the physiochemical analysis. So I request all the BOS member to comment on the syllabus, provide their valuable suggestions. Shinkte sir.
Physicochemical analysis syllabus.
फिजिओकेमिकल आहे. फार्मास्युटिकल अनालिसिस त्याचा आपण पार्ट घेतलेले आहेत, 4 पार्ट घेतलेले आपण वेगवेगळे. This is the second year. The first year advanced diploma we have the agricultural analysis, and second semester we have the food and blood analysis. Third year pharmaceutical.
तर हे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट वगैरे आहेत ना सगळे?
या त्याच्यामध्ये इन्स्ट्रुमेंट जे आहेत ते आपल्याला इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आहे, HPLC आहे, आणि बाकी काय असतील तर आपण थोडं बाहेरून पण करून घेणार आहे.
बरं. याच्यामध्ये ऍक्टिव्ह फार्मास्युटिकल इन्ग्रेडियंट कुठेतरी इन्क्लूड करायला चान्स मिळाला तर चांगलं होईल.
Okay. Actually, this is the diploma course. Along with their degree, we provide this course, so we cannot go in more details.
Okay.
But your suggestion will be considered and will be added in the syllabus.
Okay. Because that will be big part, so you can just put it for next semester, or if you are going for new add-on related to this.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Because that is a very interesting topic in pharmacy nowadays.
Yes.
Kokade sir.
Yes sir.
I have one suggestion that you have to give more place on analysis instead of synthesis, because your title is pharmaceutical analysis in practical.
Okay sir. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So is this syllabus approved?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay sir. Thank you. So we will move to the next part. So the next part is the revised syllabus of the second year diploma. This is for the UG student. The title of the diploma program is the processing and packaging of the household product. So we have revised this syllabus, and now it will be the semester wise pattern. Earlier it was annual pattern. So this is the course structure of the syllabus, and this is for the 350 marks. This is the evaluation of that 350 marks. Theory will have the 150, practical will have the 150, and project and all will have the 50 marks. So 350 is the total. So this is course objective and outcomes. So here is the comparison old syllabus and revised syllabus. In old syllabus we had 5 units, but now these 5 units are split into the semester wise. Semester 3 will be the first paper, DCT 303. Name of that paper is the fundamentals of cosmetics. Under that we have 2 units. The first unit is the introduction to cosmetic, and second is the herbal cosmetic. And for semester 4, DCT 404, cosmetic processing and packaging. The first unit is chemistry in cosmetic, and second unit is packaging as a marketing tool. So this is the revised pattern. The first topic in old syllabus we added with some new points, and it is the introduction to cosmetic. In second unit, the unit 3 in the old syllabus is shifted to the unit 2nd in semester 1st. This is the semester 4 syllabus. The unit 1st one is the chemistry in cosmetic. In the old syllabus we have the unit 2nd cosmetic technology. Some points we have removed in that topics and made it to unit 1st. And the second unit is the packaging as a marketing tools. It is same as the old syllabus. So this is the syllabus for theory, and this is the practical for the second year diploma program. And old syllabus practical were the annual pattern. In new syllabus we have the semester wise practical, so we splitted all the practicals in a 2 part. This is the practical syllabus for the semester 3, DCL 303, and the green part which is highlighted are added in the semester 3 practicals. And this is the practical for the semester 4, 404. So green highlighted part is the new addition in the practicals. So made the 15 particles for the syllabus. And the last part is the project course, which will be annual. In old syllabus, we had the contact hours 24 and credit 2. Now we have the project for the contact hour 30 and credit 1. And as well, we have the industrial or incubation or research or field trainings, and it will have the 30 contact hours and credits 1. So in revised syllabus, we have the semester-wise pattern. So I request all the BOS member to give the guidance. Oh, yeah, I missed one part. For UG student, we have the diploma program. Name of that program is the Processing and Packaging of Household. The first year we have the general household chemicals. Second year we have the cosmetic, and third year we have the perfumes. So, yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Audible, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yadav, sir. Sir, बोलेंगे sir.
Hello. Yes, sir.
No, Ankush. Hi, Ankush.
Hello, can you hear me? Kokate sir.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yes, hi everyone. Actually, as far as this analytical part of concern, we have to add the analytical part more than the synthesis. As we are going to, as we are saying that this is a professional course, and most of the students are going in the pharma industry or in analytical in any industry. So we have to add the analytical techniques or the analytical practical part more in the syllabus, like the chromatographic analysis or the spectroscopic analysis or the water analysis or the gravimetric analysis. That part should be added in our syllabus. That is my concern only.
Okay. So your point is noted down. Okay. So is this syllabus approved?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Now we will move to the next part. Okay, so this is the revised syllabus. Already we discussed in the last BOS meeting. So this is the value-added course. Title is the Chemistry in Everyday Life. This is the value-added course structure pattern. Adjustment. There is some technical.
त्यांनी ती लिंक वापरली बहुतेक.
Sorry for disturbance. ठीक है, कंटिन्यू करें.
हेच आहे ना, असंच राहतो. बरं काय दिसतंय.
Okay, the value-added course title is the Chemistry in Everyday Life. So this is the theory part. We have the 2 unit. The first unit, general survey of chemical use in everyday life. The second part is the food and nutrition. Third part is the cosmetic. The second unit is the pharmaceutical drugs and color chemicals. So this is the for BSc first year student. So these are the practicals we will take for the under practical syllabus: analysis of moisture of food, analysis food materials, determination of glucose to fructose ratio, preparation of face wash, creams, shampoo, nail polish. And the next part practical is analysis of anion and cations. So these are the practicals, and student will have the project field or field visit or industrial visit, which will have the 6 hours. So practical is about 30 hours contact. So this is the syllabus of the value added course. The next course is the add-on course for the basic third year student. This is the structure of the add-on course. It will be for 3 months. Theory will have the 10 lectures, practical will have the 30 lectures. It will be total of 40 hours, and it will have credits too. And per batch 20 students will be taken. And this is the syllabus. In earlier syllabus we had some few points that will that points we have removed and added some new points as per the suggestion given by the our expert, academic as well as the industrial experts. So we included some introduction of analytical method validations in the first unit, and in second unit, which red highlighted part, we have removed all this part and included the new modern points like introduction of the dissolution apparatus, and then the chromatic technique like UPLC, HPLC, and GC. So this is the syllabus for the add-on course, and these are the practicals for the add-on course. So after practical, they will have the project or field visit or industry visit. So total are 30 hours lecture. So this is the syllabus, and the last is the capsule course for the BSc second year student. Title is the Techniques in Chemistry. This is the structure of the capsule course. It is 1 month duration. There will be no theory part, only practical part will be there for 10 hours, and credit will be 1, and number of students in batch will be 20. And this is the these are the practicals will be taken for under this capsule course: purification of chemical compounds, fractional distillation technology, preparation of metal complex, setup of multi-component organic reactions. So this practical will help the students to improve their practical skill. So these are the syllabus for these 3 courses. So I request all the BS member to comment on the syllabus.
Hello, Kokade sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this techniques, these are the advanced techniques, and these are routinely used in the pharmaceutical industry. Like you are saying, the UPLC, HPLC, GC, dissolution, the Carl Fisher reagents, the UV, the infrared spectroscopy. Okay.
Yes.
So these techniques are routinely used in the quality control and the research and development in analytical laboratories. So this syllabus is, I think, is very good, and this is very helpful to the students and this course, because who want to join the pharma industry or pharmaceutical industry or any industry, these instruments are using routinely, and the results are very accurate. Okay, so this syllabus is very helpful to the students as well.
Okay.
So yeah, it's good one.
Okay, sir. So is this syllabus approved?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So last part is the approval of the paper setter, examiner, and moderator for the process. So this is the list from the our department, as well as the list from the other colleges and universities. Finally, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
झाले का सगळे सिलेबस?
यस सर.
1-2 मिनिट बोलू का मी अगोदर, कन्क्लूड होण्याच्या अगोदर? मला वाटतं ही आपली मागच्या 3-4 वर्षातली सगळ्यात मोठी जम्बो मीटिंग असेल ही. आणि सगळ्यात जास्त BOS मेंबर किंवा एक्सपर्ट्स हे आजच्या मीटिंगला जॉईन झालेले मला दिसत आहेत. बरेचसे नवीन पण लोक आहेत जे की पहिल्यांदा मी या ठिकाणी बघतोय. आणि सगळ्यात महत्वाची गोष्ट, जेव्हा पहिल्यांदा आपण सिलेबस तयार केला, पहिली मीटिंग आपली ऑफलाईन झालेली होती. मला आठवतंय मे महिन्यामध्ये अंदाजे 30 मेच्या दरम्यान पहिली मीटिंग झालेली होती BOS ची. ते कदाचित 4-1 वर्ष झाले असतील किंवा 3 वर्ष, माझ्या आठवणीत नाही पक्क.
3 वर्ष.
आणि येस. आणि मग मला वाटतं की आज आपण सर्वात जास्त वेळ जवळपास 3.5 तासापासून आपण ऐकतोय. आणि मला अभिनंदन करावंसं वाटतं सर्व फॅकल्टीचं की त्यांची जी तयारी होती, ती तयारी अतिशय उत्कृष्ट पद्धतीने त्यांनी मांडणी केलेली आहे. अभ्यासपूर्ण सगळ्या गोष्टीची मांडणी केलेली आहे. आणि प्रत्येकाला एक संधी प्रेझेंट करण्याची संधी मला वाटतं यशवंतराव चव्हाण इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ सायन्स हे सगळ्यांना देते. प्रत्येक वेळेस मी बघतोय की प्रेझेंटेशन मी करू का तू करू, माझं चांगलं होतंय का तुझं चांगलं होतंय, अशी जी स्पर्धा जी आहे ती मला फार अतिशय आवडलेली आहे. प्रत्येक वेळेस 3-4 जण नवीन लोक प्रेझेंट करत आहेत, त्या सिलेबस बद्दलचं इम्पॉर्टन्स सांगत आहेत, करेक्शन, सजेशन्स आणि मेंबर्सना रिस्पेक्टफुली विचारणं की काय सजेशन, येस वी ऍक्सेप्ट ऑल दीज सजेशन्स, हे जे आहे ते अतिशय उत्कृष्ट गोष्ट मला इथं या ठिकाणी नमूद करावीशी वाटते. या दृष्टिकोनातून मागचे जे BOS चे मेंबर असतील किंवा तिथले YC चे जे रिटायर्ड फॅकल्टी असतील, याचं क्रेडिट त्यांना पण मला द्यावंसं वाटतं. कारण एक जो पाया त्यांनी जो रुजवलेला आहे तो पाया पुढे नेण्याचं काम इथली फॅकल्टी करताय असं मला दिसतंय. आणि एक उत्कृष्ट सिलेबस भविष्यात निश्चितपणे YC इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ सायन्स साताऱ्याचा निश्चितपणे झालेला बघायला मला तर आवडेल. जसं की मी मागा म्हटलंय की आपण सॉरी मला माहित नाही की विद्यापीठाचे काय नियम आहेत ऑटोनॉमस कॉलेजसाठी, पण मी म्हटलो की व्हाय वी आर टार्गेटिंग शिवाजी युनिव्हर्सिटी कोल्हापूर. Yes, no doubt we can take some part from that institution, no doubt, but we have to add many more things, many more things. आणि जसं माऊलीकर सरांनी सांगितलं की आपल्याला असं अकॅडमिक काही बंधन नसतं, आपल्याला फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी दिलेलं आहे, अकॅडमिक ऑटोनॉमी दिलेलं आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये आपण चेंजेस करणं गरजेचं आहे. जसं UGC सांगतंय की आमचं 70% सिलेबस घ्या आणि 30% मॉडिफिकेशन करा, त्याच्यानुसार आपण मॉडिफिकेशन हे करतच राहतो आणि त्याचा फायदा निश्चितपणे विद्यार्थ्यांना होतोच. दुसरा जो EM आहे 3 वर्षापूर्वी जे आपण ठरवलेलं होतं की या सिलेबसवरनं मुलांना नेट सेट क्वालिफाय होण्यासाठी, कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह एक्झाम क्वालिफाय होण्यासाठी याचा निश्चितपणे फायदा झाला पाहिजे. दुसरं ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह असं होतं की BSc झालेल्या मुलांना लगेच फार्मा इंडस्ट्री किंवा ज्या रिलेटेड इंडस्ट्रीज आहेत त्या मुलांनी त्यांच्या प्लेसमेंटसाठी ती इंडस्ट्री आपल्या इन्स्टिट्यूट पर्यंत आलीच पाहिजे. निश्चितपणे त्या दृष्टिकोनातून आपला सिलेबस तयार आहे. इव्हन दो ऍड ऑन कोर्सेस किंवा व्हॅल्यू ऍडेड कोर्सेसच्या माध्यमातून ऍडव्हान्स्ड ट्रेनिंग जी काही इन्स्ट्रुमेंटची पाहिजे त्या गोष्टी सुद्धा हे इन्स्टिट्यूट देण्याचा प्रयत्न करतच आहे. आणि मला सार्थ अभिमान वाटतोय की मी एक त्या इन्स्टिट्यूटचा एक BOS चा मेंबर म्हणून मला जे काम करण्याची संधी त्या ठिकाणी मिळते त्याबद्दल मला अतिशय आनंद होत आहे. त्याबद्दल मी सर्वांचे म्हणजे आभार व्यक्त करतो या ठिकाणी. थँक्यू.
थँक्यू शिंगटे सर. शेवटी मी BOS मेंबर म्हणून काही गोष्टी इथे सांगू इच्छिते. माझ्या सर्व कलिग्सने, माझ्या सर्व BOS मेंबर सब कमिटी आणि BOS मेंबर्सने एकतर सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा म्हणजे एवढा मोठा सिलेबस, डिप्लोमा, ऍडव्हान्स डिप्लोमा, ऍड ऑन कोर्सेस, कॅप्सूल कोर्सेस, MSc 1, BSc 1 प्लस ड्रग केमिस्ट्री या सगळ्यासाठी भरपूर मेहनत घेतलेली आहे. आणि या सगळ्यांच्यासाठी त्यांनी जे एफर्ट्स घेतले त्या सगळ्यांचं मी कौतुक करते. आणि हळूहळू आमची चांगली एक टीम तयार होईल. रिगार्डिंग अनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री, शिवाजी युनिव्हर्सिटीचा सिलेबस आणि आमचा सिलेबस, ऍक्च्युली द प्रॉब्लेम विथ अनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री इज दॅट UV visible, फ्लोरिमेट्री, टर्बिडोमेट्री, ऑल दीज आर टेक्निक्स दॅट आर सेम एव्हरीवेअर. फर्स्ट इयरला नाही तर सेकंड इयरला हे टेक्निक येणारच असतात आणि त्याच्यामुळे तिथे आपल्याला फारसा बदल करायला स्कोप नसतो. दिस इज व्हॉट आय फील. बट स्टील माहुलीकर सरांचे जे काय सजेशन्स आहेत ते आम्ही पुढच्या वेळेला निश्चितच त्याचा विचार करू. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी 1 वाजल्यापासून आता जवळजवळ 4:30-5 वाजत आले, आम्हाला खूप छान वेळ दिला आणि खूप छान सजेशन्स दिले. बिंग द BOS चेअरमन, I must thank all the external BOS members, my colleagues from HGM Karad and from YCI Satara, Shingte sir, Maulikar sir, Sharad Patil, Arjun Kumbar, Bhange sir, Ankush Yadav, all are they are attending this marathon meeting. I know from the start itself that this would be a marathon BOS meeting, but still your contribution mean a lot for us. Thank you. And now I request head of the department, BC sir, to give her his concluding remarks. Thank you.
सर्व सन्माननीय BOS मेंबर्स जे ऑनलाईन आहेत आणि जे ऑफलाईन आहेत, गेले 4 तास जवळजवळ आपण या सिलेबसवर, ड्राफ्ट सिलेबसवर चर्चा करत आहोत आणि मला सांगण्यास अतिशय आनंद होतोय की 4 तासामध्ये अतिशय चांगली चर्चा या सिलेबसवर आपण घडवून आणलेली आहे. शिंगटे सरांना मला पर्टिक्युलरली आणि सर्व BOS मेंबरला सांगायचं आहे की ड्रग्स केमिस्ट्रीचा जो सिलेबस आहे त्या सिलेबससाठी आम्ही सर्वांनी खूप मेहनत घेतलेली आहे सर. कारण ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीचा सिलेबस तसा आम्हाला खूप नवीन आहे. कुठल्याही विद्यापीठामध्ये आम्ही खूप विद्यापीठामध्ये त्याचं सर्च केलं, परंतु अंडर ग्रॅज्युएट लेवलला ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीचा सिलेबस आम्हाला खूप कमी ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळाला. त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही डिप्लोमा, डी फार्मसीचा सिलेबस, बी फार्मसीचा सिलेबस आणि पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशनचा ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीचा सिलेबस असा एकत्रित करून फर्स्ट इयर पासून 3rd इयर पर्यंत त्याला न्याय देण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. तरी सुद्धा त्यामध्ये काही त्रुटी राहून गेलेल्या आहेत. त्या त्रुटी ज्या राहून गेलेल्या आहेत त्याबद्दल आपण अतिशय चांगलं मार्गदर्शन आम्हाला केलेलं आहे आणि निश्चितपणे ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीच्या 2nd इयरमध्ये आणि 3rd इयरमध्ये त्या त्रुटी आम्ही दूर करण्याचा प्रयत्न करू आणि एक चांगला सिलेबस विद्यार्थ्यांना त्यांच्या ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीच्या आफ्टर ग्रॅज्युएशन नंतर मिळेल की जेणेकरून त्या विद्यार्थ्यांना एक चांगल्या प्रकारचं प्लेसमेंट इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये, पर्टिक्युलरली फार्मास्युटिकल इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये मिळेल अशी आम्हाला आशा आहे. हा जो कोर्स आम्ही आता एक एंटायर म्हणूनच चालू केलेला आहे. जसं आपले इतर एंटायर कोर्सेस आहेत तसंच हा एंटायर ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीचा कोर्स आपण चालू केलेला आहे आणि त्या कोर्समध्ये निश्चित आम्ही चांगली प्रगती करू असं आम्हाला वाटतंय. आम्ही करणार हेही निश्चित आहे. त्याच्यानंतर आपण MSc भाग 1च्या 4 स्ट्रीमचा, 4 ब्रँचेसचा सिलेबस आपण पाहिलेला आहे. त्यामध्ये जे काय मागच्या वेळेस सिलेबस आपण केला होता त्यामध्ये थोडाफार बदल आपण तुमच्या सर्वांच्या सूचनेनुसार केलेला आहे आणि तो बदल सुद्धा अतिशय चांगला बदल झालेला आहे. विद्यार्थ्यांच्या दृष्टिकोनातून जे काय त्यांना पुढे त्यांच्या करिअरसाठी जे बदल आवश्यक आहेत ते आपण सर्व बदल त्यामध्ये केलेले आहेत आणि एक चांगला सिलेबस आपण MSc भाग 1ला, BSc भाग 1ला, डिप्लोमाला, ॲडव्हान्स डिप्लोमाला ह्या सर्व वर्गासाठी दिलेला आहे. जवळजवळ 4 तास आपण या सिलेबसवर चर्चा करत आहोत. शिंगटे सरांनी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे बायोकेमिस्ट्रीचा एक जो पार्ट आहे तो ड्रगमध्ये इन्क्लूड करणं अतिशय गरजेचं आहे आणि निश्चितपणे प्रथम वर्षामध्ये जरी समजा तो थोड्याफार कमी प्रमाणामध्ये जरी इन्क्लूड झाला असेल तरी 2nd इयरमध्ये तो निश्चित प्रकारे आपण चांगल्या प्रकारे तो 2nd इयरमध्ये इन्क्लूड करणार आहोत. त्याच्यानंतर एक महत्त्वाचं सजेशन आपल्याकडून आलेलं आहे ते म्हणजे ड्रग केमिस्ट्रीच्या 3rd इयरमध्ये ज्यावेळेस आपण जाणार आहोत त्यावेळेस फक्त त्या मुलांना ड्रगच शिकता आलं पाहिजे. ते सुद्धा एक अतिशय चांगलं सजेशन आपल्याकडून आलेलं आहे. पुढच्या वेळेस आपण ज्यावेळेस 3rd इयरचा सिलेबस करू त्यावेळेस निश्चितच ह्या सूचनांचा विचार केला जाईल. सर, आपणा सर्वांच्याकडून अतिशय बहुमूल्य सूचना आम्हास प्राप्त झालेल्या आहेत. सर्वांनी अतिशय आपला मौलिक वेळ दिलेला आहे. आमच्या फॅकल्टीने सुद्धा अतिशय चांगल्या प्रकारे त्या सिलेबसवर मेहनत घेतलेली आहे. सर्वांचे अभिनंदन करतो आणि तुमच्या सर्व BOS मेंबरचे मी आभार मानतो आणि आजची ही BOSची मीटिंग आभार प्रदर्शनानंतर संपेल असं मी जाहीर करतो. थँक्यू.
Good evening to everyone. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks on behalf of Department of Chemistry, Yashwantrao Chavan Institute of Science, Satara. Today, so many aspects related to syllabus of chemistry and drug chemistry have been discussed, which are useful to us and which would be put in practice from next academic year. In this regard, I am very much thankful to our principal, Dr. B.T. Jadhav sir, for constant encouragement and guidance. I am thankful to Vice Principal, Dr. V.Y. Deshpande sir, for guiding us. I express my sincere thanks to Honorable BOS member, Professor P.P. Maulikar sir, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, Professor S.K. Pardeshi sir, Department of Chemistry, SP, Pune, Dr. B.B. Shingte sir, Marathwada University, Aurangabad, Professor S.D. Delekar sir, Department of Chemistry, Shivaji University, Kolhapur, Dr. Rajendra Mane, Research Officer, R&D, Glenmark, Life Science, Mahape. Also, I would like to thanks to the members, Ankush Yadav, who joined from the Ireland. Also, I would like to thank Bhange sir, Kumbar sir, have joined from Tasgaon College, and members from the SDM College Karad, that is Saunke Madam. I would also like to thank DM Pore sir, Mulik sir, Tanpure sir, Sharad Patil sir, Kumbar sir, Madhukar Aughade sir, Suhit Gilda sir for their valuable suggestions and precious presence and active participation. All the members have spent their precious time during this pandemic situation, and I am very much thankful for their valuable suggestions. These suggestions are very useful for us, and also I hope for the same encouragement and support from all of you in the future. Once again, thank you everyone. I am also thankful to the head of the department, BC sir, BOS chairman, Dr. Sawant madam, and all my colleagues for their constant efforts for preparing the syllabus. I am very much thankful to non-teaching staff, Mr. Varad Narayan and Joshi, for providing facility to conduct this offline as well as online meeting. Thank you. Thank you everyone once again.
Thank you, madam.
With the permission of the chairperson, the meeting, I declare that meeting is over.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Very nice, madam. खूप छान झाली. हो. Yes. एक declaration. असं मॅडम असं कंटाळा नाही आला. झालं का बंद झालं? रेकॉर्डिंग